vindication. Be the head and not the tail, above and not beneath. And be blessed. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Obuoba yankopon Israel papa yankopon Israel di AHENKAN poni po no na dwen ho so de adwuma we ba ha ni pakon ogitum yankopon Israel se nipa na Obuoba no pe wakan nsema man papa omo yankopon ka ho na de ka ho na yi a kyerɛ wo
Obuoba manage ma ho fama se endemetimi nya because my first ever time we a product, to be frank, you are a product that we have to be proud of you. Nyame Israel be
masa oye great host party presenter you're unique. Me the account, so you are unique.
I think the way you are asking your questions is very excellent and brilliant. I've spoken to about 45 media houses ever since the budget is ready to be settled. By the way you are asking questions brilliantly, I don't think most media houses have.
AHENKAN mochi nanzo de mu wu na moka ejina mamudi kan obeso nkwa AHENKAN konsapan aboze de se ade ba kwa mo bekinkan na nya disuanso ni se obi afra brezan ni nua no ma fa ya ho ta ti di ankonyankopon enkone han to Obuoba Ofori Amanfo na batan kwa le se kan den AHENKAN 93.3 kon kan a onia tie AHENKAN 93.3 FM na mu tigu
Ghana adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN 93.3 FM. Ghana adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN 93.3 FM. Ghana adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN 93.3 FM. ate ɛde ba ahenkan 93.3 FM. Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Ate ɛde ba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Get the whole world in your hands. Okatachi, Rikisia, enter me no way. It's me friend no quabrani. Osia now, Adia, Osia now. Okane Modi Ethiopian Kademwa. Before the shop, hey, I see you say, listen.
Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Ate ɛde ba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Still unbreakable. Only God. One picture.
Makoto. Yakuto nana sie. And no one no. Yakuto nana sie. Yanede no one no. Wayama na dibu. Ade. It's exactly 40 minutes into 6 a.m. Live on your family favorite radio station, AHENKAN933FM. We're bringing you the Wednesday edition of your most authoritative social, political, and current affairs talk show. Live on AHENKAN933FM. Maakye, any Jumedieno Edin. I don't pray so many Gidi wo Christo Muse Bibia Sheye. Ana Enyan Sheye. Nyagidi Ebe Sheye, what is it? Enkopim se yebe sori akonwa so no na ejenyankopon obenyankopon ne honkronkron nyankopon a wo de wo ho to ne so ade nyina diboa wo na ewie yie edema wo no se nyankopon no da so eka yen ho yete koduo ni mu abrabo koduo no yeda so tim ode ye hyase afi ahyase from January, February, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November na March nyina hyehye ho so are yase September the abedru enche ewurade de yebeko so are yase enti anopoi ba bibia wo bia no pese wo koto ubo mu ase edwan no makoto yakuto nana sia edwan no Wayamana. Joy's blessing for that one. Yandana says. Enuti yebeko so ada otiasifo nyankopon ase sanse ene the 14th day of September 2022. Adria. Okay, so I'm doing this on behalf of the solid production team in town. A team as always led by Udi AHENKAN933FM Adrimpa Hini Kofi Mensa Kobike Kwame Asante Bilima Midin Obuoba Ofori Amanfo, your Commander General, your Shefa Kotoku Mayor. I don't think so. I rather the young Kwache and into For God and Country back on your radio. We are here to do it best as we know how to do. A free sub break up him said, "Non do ebebo." Enti you're making it possible. Say baby be a war around the globe. Ube to me at yang so Ghana outside Ghana. Also ube to me at tune in. Na with yang. And into one more war Turkey. One more Peru. And one more a war Pakistan. Uzbekistan. One more Congo. South Africa, Johannesburg, and then in Portamo. Omu bisa some bed enti yanya this simple exercise. And one saw before mobile phone, whether you're Android and I say Apple phone, fancy see any anko. Yeah, call Google Play Store and I say App Store. Google Play Store and I say App Store. But thank you. Enti call search button. Say ujina ho. Thank you. What call the search button? I search it for Ghana Waves app. Ghana Waves app. Boom. Ghana Waves app. Zeno Radio app. Niame boni nyina betimi asearch e mu bia. Zeno Radio app, Ghana Waves app, My Tuning Modern Ghana. Searching in on the Google Play Store and I say App Store. Na fe what download we are. On the app you will search for AHENKAN933FM. Baby Anna be able to meet ye. Me pacho a sign so a yet live. www.ahenkanfmonline.com. A so kwa ye audio and a video versions no. Ni nyina wo ho enti dia o prefer no. Uchu si ana wetie yen babia wona mu bia ubetumi atie dwumadie no enti we are networking the globe with the help of www.ahenkanfmonline.com. Baby, I will be able to meet you. Memory fee. We are also broadcasting live from our national studios here, Equia Afrakoma Oba Tampa in the studios. Precisely, you were Achim Abuabu. Yane Presbytery Primary, no, and a wasa sebako so. Enti wudru ha no mo a enkomo bi a person ye die no bowure mu abetimi ne ye die ya wachema boabo Presby Primary School no emu a school no ase ne en wo soro ha ne wo enti ya no ahye ne nso e dia mame me pa cho we enkonwa sie mu ne dey no ye beri nkomo extensively on a year Galamsey. Say sa issue no eba neko. What actually is the problem? Na empenimfo enomampanim I put my presidency on the line and blah 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 blah. There has been a lot of hula balloon surrounding this whole Galamsey issue. And as far as galamsey is concerned, no, I say see and kakra galamsey ni yaba be synonyms rather to a year Aisha 1. And to unyaka galamsey per se Aisha 1. Unyaka galamsey as Aisha 1. This Aisha 1 nankasankasano, who is she? And I say, oh, you too powerful la. Baby galamsey will be a baby bonifosem will be ano. Gay you ho. Na enya galamsey nkwao. I took my time yesterday night and me decided say I will read a lot about this lady. Do you know say as far back 2006 and a lady iba Ghana how as far back 2006 na ya cheno ni ejano ni acheno ni ejano ye chini bia nso a ye nyam panimfo obi beka say crème de la crème e ma omu bam the political parachis no ye nya wo ma omu bam na omababa bibeli no. Recently, Omampani Akufo-Addo ekasa in the Voter Regional Tour. Omampani Akufo-Addo chere say on said anye too sure say in 2017-2018 whether it was a repatriation and as a deportation. Also anye too sure whether the lady was deported and as a yen deported no. Asa kwa ku Kenyan and some bebre but anopai we will give you the inside story of the whole thing. Na ye bisa ya ho se ye ka se ye ko atia galamsey na ye chichichi Ghana for na foreigners no a omo eye galamsey no in large quantity because when they are coming they come with a lot of accoutrements ebe boa wo mo amomatimi aye omo adwuma no. Ghana for no a ye chire wo mo no is that the solution a ebetumi aboa am ya ko atia galamsey no ana because obi ono no wo atem wanchi sa wo chire no se okoye galamsey a eye tutobidi no no kwakoye no ode apebibi adi. Meanwhile no ye wo omo ye the white men in the men in the white suit, you know, they are sitting there. Omo ye nye omo hwe omo no mudi sika kesi ewremu no ye nche wom ye nye omo hwe but yet ye se ye ko atia galamsey ekwan ben ye befa so ye beko ade atia galamsey no. Enti galamsey issue no very very serious and se si ano a yenyahu that's detrimental effect on yen water bodies yet because they say yes in sewer say but yet utminya binom pure water companies in nanemu and it utminya nsuo nom but analysis any research ahodwa akos what they say ya amayani na ho no mo a very very soon Ghana ye be importing nsuo e de free amanone aba Ghana ha na madika Canada say menum tena Ghana ha ema nsuo a ye benom ye imported the Ghana ha na ye ne o man na ndi ne yie enti galamsey ntokwa no a ye kan na amanyofo no wo mo de aye politics na ye petre na sam na ababa wa ba akopɛ enti how powerful is this lady to the extent that even the president is not on top of issues when you ask him say Omampani ye deported na anase ye deported no I'm not too sure whether masa what service are we giving to ourselves. Then do we have a future as a nation? Do we have a plan? Can you go to China? Now I can engage you in illegal activities like this. Absolutely no. A big no for that matter. But in Ghana, ubetumi ababa beye afa wo ho adi. Ye kire wo a politicians kakra bi de omu bedie nti. Omo se yen ya ka ne yen sensuo no enemu hebrem. Bremu nsuo mu hwede aye. Eya wera hokra keke. Ukogina bremu nsuo no ho. Eto de bi asa ni te. Na nsen ya mekokofa ho no no utumi se galamsey kwa da fedi o ma san miam. Enti ya ma nsuo na san sei kura. Ye nyina ye tete ha ene ye pretend say ye nim nia ekoso. Ebeboa yen. Sabe empanin se okonfo boni tena kurom hyenkom se kuro no mo kuro no animu mu ase a se wotimu bio na ye keka ma afuro no ye keka ma adampan nti mpanimfo mo mani enna ho na China ni ababa awai single handedly atimi afa bedwafo the whole Ghana wa take ye nyina into ransom in whose name in heaven ena obi betimi afiri ni kurom aba obi kurom na waba be take charge Ye de nim senka omo ba anka ya sheda a reserve businesses bi dia mom say in large quantity but we dey illegal mining. And ababa wa we eye. Now do you know say enya only illegal mining na all you enya garam say nkwa na get ni you. Rosewood a ne boa den. Ababa we yes so ko China omo de sa rosewood ne de sheep. Subonto e sign no a esi nsuo so no eno no omo de ye. Na geyi minim say China for na asoma no de na baga na ha se omra medi yewu saa ene odi sika banti ye mpanimfo ne bebre no a pesami nkuminya ne omu die wuo nti omo atu agusu afumagu so ene omo de say wo man no. And we are all pretending say yeah fighting galamsey. Omampanya Kufuado on this one you are not helping Ghana for. Into Ubeka say I put my presidency on the line or say anything na you hebu ada. What more Ghana for on this one? And if you fail to combat sa galamsey ya sama ni musuo ya Omampani what the Ghana for hamo? We will say it to your face. Yam fan wada. Because soon to be make dada Ghana for ye saw camera the simu so abonti and was said ye mokano most se mo dem so won komo amudie. Who do you think you are deceiving? Nobody. Ghana had a four to the stand say obia free ni kurom ba no odisika kakra de ba obetumi afa bedwafo ayenkoa na yente Ghana ha na yesisi China fo nkoso hene na miankasa mi kurom abitifi o sede ande na no mi hunu say yasoa China ni bi asembe ya yesi ni nkoso hene. Are we serious? Are we serious? Na ne Bible beka bia no kra o say ahoho na abefa yensa se di so na adehye mumu adane nkoa unse de Bible beka bia no kra ero na egusu a ACC no but yenye pa de minim se menka se urade na ni ani ni yeo se yen ya ne ehu ani ni yeo the kind of leaders ya ye wo Ghana ha no it's so serious. It's so serious. Radio huni ye mobo. Pesami nkuminya leaders nkwani ye wo Ghana ha. I myself and my family. My family ni cry a nuclear family. Me yere ne me mma. Me yere ne me mma. Na no eyi aye ko ye. Say wo baby a wo baby a we ji ano ne mma we ji ano ne mma me hwehwe mani di na mo se mo nhwehwe ni mu me ne me mma ene mo ne Ghana abusuya tenten first nke extended family ahokere ba fi a ananse nka wo bobra na nye yi a ukọ wachi na nka wo fa bi aboa wo na nka wo na bi aboa wo na nka wo suwe bi aboa wo batene I myself and my family me yere ne me mma me yere ne me mma ene ye ne Ghana. Na atrofo asofo no so di bi na mu e wona na ye baifo ohwa ye baifo enkwa busia fie da abusia fie ubewu ensamsam bebre ene ye ne na omu bekun a nka omu nkun dada na da bi usumu nyankopon ye obo mpa ye baifo no odi sie nyankopon be manage ta ba pa ne tantan so wabraba wo bo nya papa nti na usuro saa nneoma no. We are killing ourselves e wo man mu ha e wo se ye ma ni da ho Now, sometimes when we are talking like this, na yan tuyamboase, na yan discussing issues, dispassionately, na ya the passing, ede kasa wa we ya obeka ya yenka. And it's the empire I want to say, Radi Moyen, na and some I'm some bebre mo say danking, monking can near maybe a course Ghana how, and I'm bebre na moon follow what is happening in this country. Sometimes over for cabina driver no or the annual your friends saying pen drive load you gusu tie you no because near course Ghana no sometimes walking can be it's so pathetic. It's so pathetic. And document be a kind of and the ahomachimu ho baby maniti around 3. I'm sure making kind unim. Sa document na I wish senka ebeya in a book form. Nanku bi ansa kabi. Nanku bi ansa kabi. The genesis of Aisha 1 and near question am say what is I mean who is this lady? Aisha 1 knows a one or your wine. The dinner and when I say Aisha wine. Aisha wine no. Now I see Sunny Dean or Safri your friend me N, your friend me this, your friend me that. No guso yanchi no. Now we have baba one in the name of me more depend about hey. Oh ready. Hey, now I'm also Ghana and penny for you so there. Now Bakubia me who you quite say Aisha e won for sex tape. And Crawford or no more da. Any woman so pair or no any China for be more no more die. And I'm see ho she Ghana form about one fe a tour nufu we shall baba wa pagun hun Ghana ni or you tuntum or your cocoa you no swap pop on so and any so ben say prekesen ushia or no so to say adria nen so ben was anywhere nim ma jimani so na o Ghana form out to say you Yankopon abade na China for me yo moto semin nsem wo moto semin nsem yi eno na ye mpanimfo yi atuadi akire noko fio amubedi enti mpanimfo mu bebre mani su jawu adum se fon eya momra bra na esen ho Shia nurse obe kire udwem that's it Yes, I know you be as I know you. Yes, you know. If you move a present in city, or say in soon about petipeti, and or pay a puemantem and Yahudu no ebi, a fay, a bemuna, booms in soon be muna, ya queen and munuano. A riani be unity a bebo, inti send your word on the air and rano. And then so something can't tell us a bay, a riani beboka crabatin so will and in Tiano was and so Eddie Mamiano pay no. A puaman tell me I am Yahudu be in soon petipeti ya now what should I say? A beco swap petipeti cacranoa, na ye que we are brimuno, a riani be unity, but a riana who are ding shed any sro, and suum a wim be brave. And in Tiana was and so Eddie Mammy, we more breast and a bisacque and the muno, and then also so may you ho Eddie Amawano. Remember to Matthew chapter 28, the verse 30. Matthew chapter 28, the verse 30. Mami introduce you word and infamao. Yes, you be dimping for next year, and you made the buy and one way and yanka, and you above from the ban and one way and yen to me yanka. And in Tiana, I didn't yes say, now I think I shall see Monday, but unfortunately, Monday, no, not me yanka Samini around Tuesday. And so na ejet tuato den asem nya me de bae no na ejet tuato and then what the bae o see am say seek him and receive rest. Seek him and receive rest. Why Nyankopon hwehwe awurade na oma wa home. Hwehwe awurade na oma wa home. Ghana ebra so se wo se Ghana fo hwehwe awurade. Ghana fo mpanimfo hwehwe awurade na oma yen ahome. Ghana for yan hwehwe mama yan hwehwe we should seek the Lord and he will give us rest. Yan pre hwehwe awurade ni enya ise ya pre hwehwe sika no. Ya pre hwehwe sika. Ene nipa da sani da sori an ye woni tirim nyina ye sika. Yes. Obi ka che sika nya woboa. sika very very important in man's life. Essential commodity, I'm telling you. Because without money, at the end of the day, it is about money. It will be catch also sika hu hia wo boa. But anopa yi wo hwehwe sika no na wa ma awurade hwehwe nso adi wo kan. Yemu bebre ye bre. Yes, ye preach hwehwe sika no, ye nsaka sika no, but ye ni sika ni mu asumdwe, ye ni sika ni mu ahome, ye ni sika ni mu anigye. Adentia sang say yemu bebre no ya de awurade ato nten. Ya braba ye boy mu ena money. Okay, in the Bible in the book of Ecclesiastes will say, and they have created their own world around them. We have created our own world around us. So when we speak the mind of God, but I don't pay we will have more time and talk about it. If you dance so, we will talk about it. In the book of Matthew chapter 28, the verse 30, and pay or say, seek him, and he will give you rest. Our reading, when you seek God, he will give you rest. When you seek God, he will give you rest. Seek God and he will give you rest. Matthew chapter saying 28. Another verse saying there be me boy no any Bible ni mukura any boy any Bible ni enti yanko Jeremiah 29 the verse 13 rather. Jeremiah 29 the verse 13. Matthew chapter 11. Hey, now some ben granny. Rough. Matthew chapter 11. Young call 11 no mum. Now me monitor not sports for the metro so. Matthew chapter 11 verse 28. Ericopim 30. What 7 a year can you need Matthew chapter 28. I don't agree na. Matthew chapter 11 the verse 28 to 30 or say, come unto me, where Yankopon Efrewono, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn of me, for I am meek and lonely in heart, and ye shall find rest unto your souls. And the last verse, which is the 30, for my yoke is easy, and any burden is light. Amen. Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn of me, for I am meek and lonely in heart, and ye shall find rest unto your souls. For my yoke is easy, and any burden is light in the Lord. We we will elaborate it for you. We will explain it further. Now what me ate wo ho ase yie. But and then on ye me de bre wo ne say, dia wo ye nyina mu hwehwe Awurade, aduane die mu hwehwe Awurade, nkomobom hwehwe Awurade, atare sem hwehwe Awurade, adwuma bia wo ye bia no hwehwe Awurade. Seek the Lord and he will give you rest. Wankasa wa ho adi untumi mfanye, wankasa unyansa untumi mfanye. O de be ya o de mibisa. O salary is saying how many days in a month? O salary na de man is saying. Oh, ja enko bia. Enko bia. O de every day biampo o salary no che. Emfa bi nto atade, emfa bi ntua light bill, emfa bi nya hwe. Ye che every day bia. Anopa awia anwumre. Anopa di 10 cedis. Awia di 10 cedis. Me kan say unza untimi di 10 cedis. Where there 5 cedis anopa. But under normal circumstances, once we di 5 cedis anopa. I was say we di 10 cedis. Anopa awia ni anwumre. Into 30 cedis in a day. And I was saying ka udi. And no ye average o. But under normal way there I was saying every day bia when this ikakra odi be 60 Ghana. unse watia mo si hey ohia ni mu ohare ka se awurade empanish ohia ka se ohia awurade empanish o ohia ni mu ohare o the sister series a day no sisi ame no ka se nim credit obi tagu ni phone so obi a share girlfriend bi chick sa na mo frɛ no oye mi chick ano pay ya was selling 500 Ghana cedis na wo me o 500 Ghana cedis also on fanye also on fan to breakfast 500 Ghana cedis wo me ka se wo se odi 60 cedis e dia o tiam erade uni ya mo ohia ni mu ohare nyame wo ho seek the Lord and he will give you rest obemu adi aduane pa o hwehwe awurade obemu adi aduane pa obemu ashatare pa o wedi akura besesa enkrofo tonku pasra na no me koyem ko hwe nku bi hwe nku di bisa say saying or say 550 Ghana and I yes alam Ghana that's alam Ghana 550 enku no enku ni 5.5 or the sun already enku 5.5 for the sun already and okwa no say osan the oil bi the fra oil no crazy kamai
oto ne nkon we akade aka
ye kan say no bi ti wo say body a wo be wu ade kwhye fam onya nwu ye nti ne homon
david
eya na ye di ohia keka nsem bi me kan wo say we ni hwe he uni trontia munye du enku a wo de sra kra wo hwehwe awurade o man sesa no ni mu a etimi hia o pa say wo body de nti hwehwe awurade o ma body asesa hwehwe awurade a wo 90 point to say yes awurade nke ho aba na fe ye de aka nyina de abrɛ wo.
This is the moment we waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's sports time.
Okay, eje yankwa.
Yeah, obo. Bia wo ko de.
Oh, yes. Na so
oh, nyame adom.
Bia kama. Ene tutu jagu en.
Ne omo.
Obi de na ato ne so. Ai opoku.
Omo.
Obi de na ato ne so.
Omo.
Yo, ya.
Obi amfa na ato ne so. Ba omo.
Oh, obi de na ato ne so. Ada usuru a.
Ameba, ameba.
Oh.
Ameba.
Yentie we.
Omo ho me kakra.
Sa. Opoku de bi so obi de na ato ne so.
Sa.
Oh.
Cover. Abusiana Prime Makwaba at the AHENKAN933FM FM so Sambre nonson abo about their pounds man watch as atena se dia gudie mu sam kakra nda no pai ya bobo no e de besomo e wo dwumadie no so na febia enso akofan e de amande ne abusuani ni na ene se yakan e de aboma de nsem no e de ebra kwabena ajenim obrempono pokuare ena fe Raymond na sitete na ebo me na no pai na me de ensem no e de abromidi e de kofi ajiwi agents yakan boma ye de agudie mu sam e de ebra ende anopebe kwa manone ne akofan nsem ni na e de abande Champions League no matches ni bebre na ena se etoto famana kopiema enra esede mamu e de mankofo ye pa de mu komoni na e de eba ende anopai e wo dwumadie ni so enso e de ama betie ba fie na fie de fisem kakra enso e de atache e de makuma si asantoroko etukwan eko bani emu nsem no san e de sitie amabedru anase omo embaye e de mu komoni na e de ebra ende anopai na srasem enko enfema e Pacific Mouse Enterprise and none of promise me come fancho say open yama bina atwa me kamfo e de amafo ni chemo na kope ekunya papa na tona febibia enso enko fine enfa emase table and ope bia to we papa enye table bi koto table bia yesiwa na fe ehu ana se ehu ana sa we papa emwo ntumi mfama no nka ase jan na so ye pa bia enso ejina abrania bia be koye e de ama musical instrument and ope bia to adani ko chemo e wo Pacific Mouse Enterprise asoye na kope bi to na fe bia enso enko fine emfama nye we nko na se amatonton upe wheelchair e bia sebio wona bi umami bi eye yade enti no ntumi enanti bi ma kope wheelchair na fama no na fe onfandandan ho na ahoto embra fie sanso ana kopio a microwave etuntombi electric iron obenya bi ato toaster machine okwa obenya bi na wato no bia enso akoye ade ama electric fans ana se TV na ope bi ato a dawani echemo e wona kache na kope bi enso to na bia enko fan emfa ema woolen carpet papa ni bi okwa obenya bi ato na fe bia enso akofan the amount then when in a chemo ɛwɔ atem soado ɛyɛ kwantempɔn no so a ɛyɛ coupon checkpoint uduru hɔ a na ɛsɛ wahunu Pacific 4 na ɔno mo akɔdi dwa na ebia ɛnso akɔfan ɛde ama ahomatofo no sei ɛna ɛsɛ esi ɛteɛ 0547 71 6480 0547 71 6580 0542 3087 30 0542 308730 o from a omabajo so no wadi ho nkomo na afedie aka mu nyina ono mo enso ache yenti sim na afe yemfa nsam no emfa enda ene anopai yenkopi mo e wo Champions League matches a ese endrada top fem no sei NS awie no ekɔwieye Liverpool etena fie na esa Brentford fan Kudus Mohamed enro bono modin yepa ekopi Mo Salah eto atena Brentford fan Kudus Mohamed ebetiye edema Ayas ansana boboko no ana fa Brentford fan Matip edeba ko esande peso a Liverpool 2 Ayas 1 ese eno ene de eto fema yedemu nsam no enso ede ama Bayer Leverkusen transfer ebo kanimi no emese Atletico Madrid endra amadumi ante endra omo hadwin ye papa investors no ese endra nkuguo se pacha enese ekoye enso enema nkrofobia na ese jajo ena nkrofo etwa Bayer Leverkusen eti Atletico Madrid ebo kanimi no amadumi ante FC Porto endra nimguase ese omo tifie ema boboku a ye fela Club Brugge for ekochiomo ebo ekano polo and 9 MS FC Porto and to be Anteba Kukra Victoria Plazan etrafi ama to be Anchebi Inter Milan ekochiomo epomekani mienua ama to be ante Bayern Munich mieno ama Barcelona and to be ante ukopioma SS Sporting CP etrafi Tottenham was pay Ebomakani mieno ama se Tottenham Hurricane na Pamfo ama to be anti Marcel Trafi ama se Entram Frankfurt etufan ekɔ ama tumi anti wei Champions League matches sendra top feminine so say na se so dia 445 enanumre AC Milan transfer on Dynamo Zagreb at the Albany Shakhtar Donetsk transfer on Celtic at the Albany 4:45 p.m. and game no top fem Rangers transfer on Napoli at the Albany 7:00 p.m. and game no top fem Chelsea transfer on FC Salzburg at the Albany 7:00 p.m. game no top fem Real Madrid transfer on Abilazid at the Albany 7 p.m. no game no top fem FC Copenhagen transfer on Sevilla at the Albany and Anumre 7 p.m. game no top fem Man City transfer on Borussia Dortmund and so at the Albany 7 p.m. game no top from Juve Everton fe on Benfica at the Albany 7 p.m. no game no top from NFA Maccabi Haifa at ni Paris Saint-Germain and so at the Albany and Nanumra we Champions League matches and top from Medimu and Comunina and so at the Ejao and net anopai Yemfio na fe Yenkopia Liverpool ni Nikumakra and so Amfamau Ukopia Liverpool Papa Nasa Brantia your friend Thierry Henry Papa din sem kakra and so dia tudwa was a Brantia friend Joe Matip no as a Brantia no edru dia adin otumi aye no yepa atontena and my Liverpool boboko no if say enredu ebien na mama ene no a Brantia ekoto ba ko de peso and my Liverpool enkudimde no eko edmamo wa bana baso yepa was say oye defender je se be bia mu no say eto dia adin otumi ebole abuye ba ene nkoma eba ni mu nsam no and so Edia Jow, a year and net anopai, young Pimo, our boxing, near Nikumaka, and so Amfamau, Uramu or boxing, and Chaye, and a Sebeto job, set taxing Firi, and swatch to telephone, and I say Ramo, and a Brantia, your friend Antonio Joshua, and so Edin Como, Sabajatum, now fi bat Cassiapa, at top him, na way Anderson Sama, and Sabeto job, and so Anissa Brantia friend AJ, Antonio Joshua, as a reporter Eba, and it's a Wajatum, say Sianya Copo Ayaduma, December 2022 on the Air Brantia, your friend taxi Firi at the Ayan Taswa, way air butter, no din ye bar, Yademo and Commano, at a free boxing, and so at the amount, and net anopai, young Pimo, our Liverpool game, now Fayendi Kumo, and so Amfamau, Ukoli Pua, a Sandra, and Emma Eko Ye, at the Momo, Emma what I asked for, a young one, the way Anderson Kumaka Eba, and to answer Kupima. Apprentice, your friend Trent Alexander-Arnold no, Nkrofo and Etwa Bruno, na Kopioma Michelle Owen, and I say Mikey Owen, Apprentice, or your former player, na no anasem komo aka pay, and so akane for Brentano, and I feel referred na nom, and so aid in a time, Amasa Brenton, whoa, papa yepa, so open defender was so we are here, there's Apprentice, your friend Trent Alexander-Arnold no, when Nick Kaya, as a Brenton over Tosumino, Amasa Andrew Ocean performance, there's a Nema Enkoye, no Mr. Bajiri. Say walk up a na England for a first 11 a Brentano able to be any ball Edema England national team no Amasa Brentons one Kikano Nasa Niama Uncle Yedia walk up national one shadow when you be on ball no Amasaka the child Brenton say or Kona Nimdodo we a defender oh Kuanima so sure you no way to be Kuanima and referee or a defender na fe at yes so at the first one na say a trading way and Kumakra and say a football Amako Edema Brenton fan tread Alexander-Arnold Yadimu Komono, and dear Jow Yanko Chelsea, now Fayending Komo, and so Amfamo, Ukoremo, our Chelsea, Amateur letter Tintin Copiamo, our Paris and Germain, and Senina. Aye enkomachocha mapa ya fan Luis Campos no amano no edin komo na pano kopimo e Paris Saint-Germain bobo konimo ono ana football advisor e Paris na senkoma aka eba enso anese Chelsea ene no edin komo so baje penie na opimo o Chelsea abodjuma ede ama na 7 million pounds no eno ene salary amuso mutua enso ede ama mapa ya fan Luis Campos ya demo enkomo no ede ejaw ene anopai okobasa Brent Kuma ya fan Gavi Barcelona for egusu ene no edin komo so obedia tum na fe wasanya ne contract no enso anama Barcelona na bi akoye 1 billion euros and sky say e twade atono so eye ekopioma esene komo akra e ba ye de musam no enso ede ejaw ene anopaye bafie na fe ede afisam no kakra enso ede atachire ede amount ene anopaye na sedansem enko enfama unnatural mineral water in super dare dan betra se me bon dewro eka ade chese ko bebito na fe bia enko ye emfa emao enso e bottle water me kana sana se enso a ye bottle kama fefefa kono ye pa ase enso no egumu kama ese onya bia da bia wuko bia se puntu ase e bia tukwan utumi emphasa she water emfa show bagim ese onya bottle water kama na ekuta epuntu bi ase anase okwasra o girlfriend or boyfriend na se nsori kutawa efe ye pa na fe bia enso ekofan e de ma emfa ho se bia eye na wo ye wedding na wo ye oto badin ade bia wo ye de ohia unnatural mineral water na no pemi kamfo enso e de ama ene arapai na bia enso akoye e de ama dawani na fo ni chemo e wo atimodan amo begana commercial bank ni ye pe oduru ha kase ope unnatural mineral water upeje woni abonsa bronsa fofrobi ase won sabenkum so efe ye pa na wawremu na fe akope anne bia to Nebi bia enso akofan ede amount wodi mpenifo ni komo na fenchemu aka che nyina so no oni omo enche 0249 680 213 0249 680 213 0500 231 091 offer unnatural mineral water from penifo omajo sunu adi hon komo na fe bia enso akofan ede amount ye ba fie na fe de fisam no ade apeso ade amawa ye hyase emfemfri kumase asante korokobobo kuna so ye na se komo fio no enso eba so mutu kwan eko beni na so amawe pimo ewo Ghana endro na jo ama se bibia ekoye ade ma kumase asante koroko ene amoso bibia no wa okwakoda oboko she training na se efise game a nyakopon adoma amne asika diogo ekobani no ekwase da ebeya entize and then almost just edit training and so access so say baby ebetumi akoye edema kumase asante rogofo na febia enso konkan ede amoma ede mu enkoma aka no enso ede ajaw yampiemo na feye ndi komo enso amfama Ghana 4 place ahudo obire ena se endrada amodom hwadi awa Champions League na se ama bia etumi koye na Brent Fan Kurus Mohammed endo to atena edema ayas answer boboko no Brent Fan Kama so wa enso remo ewo aye bridger anase bridge bobo konuma abranta no eto atena enso edmomo na se adoy enso ejinamo ebo 90 minutes edma bobo kwa ya fa club bridge enema na ekoye edma Ghana fo a omusi akan ewon nkofo koso ewo Champions League numa yedemu nkomo no enso ede ajaw yempiemo na fe yendi nkomo kakra enso mfama yenko pimo gaka so ye enche anase gaka top 6 no enso top fm na no anase wapa ye fer oduro nyako enso de nsem kakra da tudwa wase kumasi asante worokofo ama je peni amebosa gaka top 6 ni bi na eyade ase amboa ama tournament no anso ni yekura amosi sika na kom expertise omsabeka no amonsa antumi anka nina anase kumasi asante worokofo amba ambebobi nti amankofo ambehwebo no ama enso to be amba yedemu nkomo no edi ejaw na yawano na oye player edema asgod boboko no abrante no aremu ewo Egypt na reporter ebanasa abrante no woni Togo fo edi nkomo wan hwa abrante fa ne yawano obewuremu o Togo na fe Togo national team no wakọ akobobia opese switch from Ghana na fe yawano kopiemu o Togo fise wa hwa nimu a Blasters yi nyaade a ye frɛ no enenti enene nkomo a yawano aso ye eba edemu nsam no enso edi ejaw enne anopai na Kwame Pipra aya former Kimfaisa player Brentford senior kan enso South Africa Orlando Pirates Brentford season way enema enkoye enso emfa emano enso Orlando Pirates bobo kurimo wade nsem kakera tudwa esa Brentford na bonkrata era command impedum for say ankebeya omo terminating contract no na fe onto aso enkosi akan enso befufra yede mu enkomani na edi ejana Kimfaisa so ye Brentford ye fene Zubairu Ibrahim Brentford Remo Serbia amese okosane contraja edema FK eye Joseph Boga ese bia ekoye enso edema no hono a ene report by demonsem no ede ajaw yenremo na fe yendi nkomo sesia emfama na bia enso enko find dia na ese enko pimo ewo Kotoku Royals Clinton Kwei enso aseye na afe yendi nkomo emfa emao na bia enko find dia kopimo Clinton Kwei aseye ya ese report formo ede ebane se goalkeeper ene se ne no edidi nkomo a ewo efianum se ene ebusa nse into the first game na odaye edema Kotoku Royals umbo Ghana Premier League dia sen ena ohun no sei ena brand ya fan Clinton Kwei edetu yenim
o say first game but now I say now shaking kakra on cause I say almost Premier League cause now everybody we show I say about the Premier League and see they are feel a little bit shaking kakra but game start here no now be to try na also more focusing on game this normal no but you can say difference we division 1 o sha ahodi no so cause omo like omo press but wa sha ball now a boy pressure ni say that ending sir and pressure ni say that nyagide say until una time to me the ball no enya say on find and difference but you can say what division 1 Premier League
we any esaba sabrante fan Clinton Kwei ade atu yanim no koso ekasaye ono anase game no kwawe no na ese yini se man of the match na ebusa ne nsem kakra ade fa onyankopa no mafiada omne dream selsi ekoboni ewo dawu ene so kasa ade fa on sei ene nsem abrante fan Clinton Kwei goalkeeper eka ade fa game no
the feeling was great very great now though the division 1 the match is very but manya a single man of the match over division 1 but nyamiya adoma ma premier me first match me na playing sheet asida kese so na me de ma semenene asida kese so san ko manya me wo and if you say why o ma brabo mo da enra nyabe chanka say mo expect na mo hu da Sunday mo expect the same thing from free home because yeah, take match after match. And can say we are match we na kwa dream match on every day. Taking match after match after match. It's a full focus. Oh, you need dreams focus. Energy in the aba. Now ma energy no ejina utim all out now. She will lose focus. This yeah. Those no energy by a jubilee area. It's a next focus dreams. And it's a focus on dream games so.
We ensema se goalkeeper edema ayebobo kwa fan atimdan Kotoku Royals no abrante fan Clinton Kwei ede etu anima ede mu komoni na enso edi ejaw na ye na di nsem nasi na fe yenwura mu hanum sei na yeni komo akra bi enso emfema na se ye piema na se be kwa homa no so akodi komo taw kitwa bi de ma na afe bia enso akofan e wo dwumadi no so na de bekam na wie ba ye de mu nsem ni na enso ede eja na former player ede ma Kumasi Asante kwa abrante fan Eric Bequin akasa akra ede fa abrante fan Isaac Kopon wasa abrante ne e ba na se go so nimhye ye pa no nimbo bonti abrante sankabaya anka Kumasi Asante for Emma Branton Quenya, na Danny na Branton in Yamu Ensiakan, Fisebon de, when in boy ye panasi a game against ARC Kadiogwa, Yakopa Numa Sunday, Tojano, or Didier Pan Branton, so bet me a bois, ne be and so at me aquafine, and so again more, Yedemo Semino, and so Adia Jow, now Copimo our Access Bank Andra, and I say, officially, I'm in the Ghana Division 1 for for esiano omo ana samba sponsor omo na bia enso akoye 250,000 Ghana cedis no omo de ewramo na fe $250,000 no yes omo de ewramo na fe omo na fe Ghana Division 1 League no omo so a sponsor ne kama na bia enso akoye a enra se omo pa hontoma ama bia enso ko fan Yedemo enkomuni na edi ejaw ende anopai na se ensema efi eya House of Folk enso asoye ase eba ende anopai ene se a game against Great Olympics no ensema ka eba ene se samwa bodu di se media tudwa wase nyankopo aduma a game against eya Great Olympics ne die kiane ken kudumdie no ebeba na mfon se die na self for eche omo yo mo anwande ogidie mapa se kudumdie no ebetumi accord ma phobia yedemo nkomo no enso edi ejaw ende anopai no pe yeko na fe awia ye ba de akam ni na enso ya de abana bibia enso akofan ewo dwumadie ne so kobena aginim eboye remon na sitetete eboye na fe obrempon wopukuare enso eboye midin edi kofi agiwi eje na se kabomu edi agudie mu nsem ebesom Maakye dwumadie so ene anopai edi ma oyeko na fe the great man Obuoba Ofori Amanfo atoaso edi amon
Adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache ediba AHENKAN933FM
Some pim time ya pim dream yo pim time ya pim I don't yo dance yo koyo me ne bia body yo koyo elzo ya time yo Tribute
Adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache ediba AHENKAN933FM
Time I am robo Kasie lumbe Dinti mi bro Seminyo Kasie Semachio Kajo Nyante mufuano Through Rikami Kasie Sanaya Is right Obe Waradi Kumfo Mana
Okay, mama na seni antwa so. Simedua san eho. Yera so eti akonya. Inti Kofi Ejiri website AJ and now Ode Sports at the Bremo. Yeah, twice with you. So switching to the brighter side of life, is your birthday today, Mrs. Evelyn Tay. Also for Mami Awowo, Christ Apostolic Church International Family Worship Center at Chimodan Estates. Live to be 93.3 and beyond. Evelyn Tay, also for Mami. Have a blast throughout the year.
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Ache Ediba AHENKAN933FM.
And to thousands of people celebrating their birthday today, we are wishing you all well. Yanko Ponya Makuma Swadi and Famamo. But a special one, and confirm Mrs. Evelyn Tay, Christ Apostolic Church International Family Worship Center at Chimoda Estates. It's your birthday. A glorious one for that matter. Live to be 93.3 once again and beyond. The Emfa with that chinti fantua some fama matching any jumedi no edin wadwen kire obeti media about 0594841044 or the bar na ya hwe I can kind of come on. And so I had a meeting because between the principals of colleges of education and colleges of education teachers association of Ghana. Omo echo in Shiemo. I don't pay your behena dimu and come but before my info with that chintin on Fantua Soma.
With that chintin.
Thank you. It is not about what is behind you, it's about what is in front of you. It is not about what is behind you, it's about what is in front of you that matters. And now pay with that chinti dia yesuya abrabo akwentu mu adesua ni mu afutuo kakra ye nyina yesua ye de boy ho bra de bia meka cho se ye ka eya na nya wo a wutie ye ne nko anti ne ye ka ho ye nso a ye ka no nso yetie bi eni nti obi bia obeprichi nyankopon asem no who preaching, yes, you are preaching for the congregates now, but who preaching the ama woman na also so who TB edibi ye adwuma na so abamfa so the ama nti anopa ni ye nyina ye ka bom asua ne se it is not about what is behind you, it's about what is in front of you. And inti na nkrofo bi wakasa se nia emuadie ni de yamuomu ni nko na mbom ni aka no ene ye bo ho ban eye very 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 good. Ebia na nra wo ye ya anye yie enra de na anye yie no me na wo kasa yi wo ye den untimi nyama ni nye yie. Enra na eye 13th September sa 13th September 2022 no wo ye den a atwam enti ne enra esisi ye nyina atwam wo ye den yara entimi mabiem enti sa wo de ka wadwendwen ho se 13th September yi na atwam we na me dan mama sa minua ba ma ya no hwe nye atwam de achien fa show tirim se de mentimi anya na enra ne me ye na enra anya yie no ene me beta no me ma na ye best so wo ka kire wo ho a na oyire wo ho se uye bibia ma wo ho a obetimi aya ma na ye yie enti ye ne fa bibi si wani so na ka kire wo se eda ne nkwa wiere ne me pese me nsa kanie na sha se wo adwuma mentra sen kan kire me se me de ye wo metu ohia busuam se wo ohia busuam a wadi wo hu hwammo wadi wo generation hwammo. You being born into the family of poverty, and I say a poverty family, no, it is not a problem, but when you die with that poverty, and no, and a very mistake, you can change it. So it is not about what is behind you. It is not about what happened yesterday. It is not about what somebody said about you yesterday. It is not about how depressed you were yesterday. It is not about you were disappointed, you were discouraged yesterday. No, it is not about nisisi yenra. It is not about insembia yekekan enra kire wo a woti ye ne nyama dabi. Enyam fumso a wankasa kura wo ye. No. Atwam sa wo ye mfumso atwam. Awurade asan efrew ene. So now so we di bone a wo bone to say dem na mahaban po. Bible say come to him even if your sin is as red as scarlet, he will make it white as snow. Nyankopon asem wo kan ye no e wo Bible ni mu. It is not about what is behind you. It's not about what you did yesterday that didn't go down well with you, but it is about what you are poised to do today. It's about the difference you will make today. Enye nra de no enra de ye twam ye den ye twam esi ama hu hia na eye wa de se ewiase kura be koda chinti oye je nyankopon obe nyankopon kronkron nyankopon be koso adoma aboa yaken ho ama ye da ache aye fe oda ache enti eya na ye kan ye watie na odi bia bobra e de amame
oda ache nti
Kristo asumdue nka ho. Me pato ma yemfa hweyi nsem nso mfa nto aso ma na fe yenko yen animu enti enie ahweyi nsem na no pe ye de nam Dr. Kwesi Bani ene ye na ka bom brofo kasem won say as much as you can, don't send kids alone on errands outside your house. They are soft targets. Unsa hweyi nsem no maka kire say eye bambo ahweyi emu nsem de ya na ye de emma wo anopai brofo kasemu no waka mesa kabiem miwia na me de abayan kase adie mo say as much as you can, don't send kids alone on errands outside your house. They are soft targets. Dr. Kwesi Bani anopai ni odi aba no yemfa mra yan kase adie mu se ne be ya maame afia broni no mo ne wo mo aka bi ti se me na ye akuma mo no me na ye akuma classmate fo no omo nyina betumi ate ase na omo so e de abobra enti anopa ye se ebetumi a men suma kwada ketewa se ko ebia ufiri aboabo ana wote aboabo ahimfie animu ho ana se saa mo baabi amofre ni kuromu no aboabo kuromu no ana ebia wonte aboabo kuromu mpo wo bangalo bi ana saa mbro no amowo mo ha no na wasoma akwara aketwa ne se omra meto ade wo sam first ho wo aboabo kuromu emfa mawo akwara aketwa saa ne yen soma no chiri saa se ebia na me fa ne se baabi ayetie ni efie na me soma ne se onye nto ade wo efie nanim ho dia fine na ewu makwara ketwa kwara ketekete no wasoma na chiri no eno na opani a ohwe bambɔ nsɛmu abene wom etu yɛmfo sɛ ɛyɛ amoma yɛ nsoma yɛ manketenkete no ɛma ɔmo nkɔ akyirikyiri saa sanse wɔ mo no sɛ nipa bɔnefoɔ bi pɛsɛ wɔdi ɔmo bɔne a ɛyɛ ketewa bi koraa obetimi de tɔfia daadaa no obetimi de sika ketewa bi mpo daadaa no ɛde na akɔ akɔdi ne bɔne ɛde nti ahwɛ yie nsɛm a ɛnɛ Dr. Kwesi Bani ɔde brɛ yɛn a yɛdi mu amaneɛ ma ɔno sɛ ɔsese betumi a ɛyɛ amen nsoma nkwadaa nketenkete no ɛwɔ akyirikyiri saa sanse wo mo no anipa bɔnefoɔ so obedi wɔn bɔne a ɛyɛ ketewa bi moma yɛn hwɛ ne yie na entumi ɛmoa yɛn papaapa yɛde de bɔn krata mbɔ so de toa so security tips ne de ɛno asi yɛde de aka ɛtoa so
Ghana Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache Edeba AHENKAN 93.3 FM
Okay, yes, for some messages, Samodi Abantua so Azeman. Eddie Free, a chronom or say upseat market, government should do his best to create jobs for the youth before collapsing Galamsey. If not, we cannot fight Galamsey because unemployment rate in Ghana now is too high and the youth cannot sit down without working. Azema dia ono ede ebae no na dwenkyere no Haile Selassie so as a patriotic voice as God. So JDM and his NDC party wants to disrupt the attention of Ghanaians from the good leadership and works of His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Their propaganda and agenda has totally failed. NPP party will break the 8. Ono so ne dia or the by also regards to Dr. Ben Asante, CEO of Ghana Gas. Yawuza Swame Enso Edene Die Abba. Or see, before the 2020 election, John Dramani Mahama, former president, promised all those who are into Galamsey and have been arrested would be freed and given chance to continue their illegal activities when voted as president. But today, this same person is telling President Akufo-Addo to resign for failing to fight Galamsey. JDM is Amisco Spelele so dia that will be the last one. Or say from a year the records JDM is being paid since 2017. Undoubtedly, it's either he is being deceived by his aides, misinformed, or is just the usual JDM we know who is allergic to facts. Heaven is real. Hashtag he say. And I see penny for being farming. These are some messages here for now. Mode abaya can kind of amount. Instead of the kind so a bow amanieno. Principals of colleges of education Prinkoff and Enra Omone Colleges of Education Teachers Association Ghana equal to train come over one more annual leave and 70 year bebre and pay a dire pronso ebehani adwendwen ho dia mamo National Communication Authority NCA and so and the year catch them say they don't have the power, they don't have the right, they don't have the authority. Some mobile blocking for SIM cards and also someone some and that pronso now pay ebehani edi mun come illegal minors na sisi ya de yesi cocoa farm no omo tusi mo omo invade ni saa akoye ohaw kese anope ye behwe ni adwendwen ho cocoa fuo no they say ye di 2 galam say nkakra na me say yegusu a ye di ye nkosua no na ye nkokɔ na ye hye mo ase no timu de mo nyere mo ho yankofa da bon krata mbo so no ye wi a ni aka nyina ye bebo ewurewure mu kama edi amamo mpanifo machi amompo mako de
Onye nyame adom na so.
Nyame adom me ho ye pa. Ni aba bibia bako.
Nyame adom na so.
Nyame wo ho.
Yes.
Anu pe me re na ho but ni nyina ye.
Befa Pentecost for e wo nwum bi nti wo wura aho na beko.
So. Na eveche mu.
Oh, what's it? Oh, every tree says subonting.
Sa.
Nie wonu be nyankwa. Nie nyankwa be fifi. Nie uzu bla bla bla. Bibi sa. Sa nyum me de pa.
Mi hwe ni.
O si owu sorry. To me no. Every tree says subonting. Eti dia ne wra ho ani beje ania osunsu be sere
ani mani beje
ne a osenso be sere kwa yeah Pentecost for you na me de pa
na me wra ho nti sa wato nyum de a me hwe anim ata ne ma besesa
oh ebesesa
oh my
owu sorry to me no tene se subonten da mrekuto wo ayi na se maniji ya papa that we could your gift to and that is a gift yes o man you no so me say ade e be yire wa ha you me come pa sorry to me no everything says subonting nie ewo nu be nyankwa nie enyankwa be free Nia e free be swaba. Oh sorry. Me come. One for be anto nyum no dwundwun I sha hwan no ho de asem na to.
Me de asem ampa se president Mikasa onim. He's not too
I am not too sure. The president is not on top of issues and I like yes a bit risky. Because he is in charge of the security of Ghana.
And no na me ra ho.
Enti if Omampani ka kire say he is not too sure. Yam fani mienu. The man is trying to be very candid in his opinion. On person be control. Onima wonim. Eno wo ho. Ena e bi nso a na ya ka kire no but ni wura fi. Sane nsem do so. So at here. And Omampani obi a se wa follow no pa ontumi entwa ntro wade bi ho so that here ontumi ntwa ntro e wade bi ho enti wo dem hwa emuaya a wode ma BBC guy no on this whether LGBT
yeah.
Na ke bi mu ada na ka on can straightforward no ye wo bu ho no mo a ono no ohodi opinions bebre that is here or respect obia dwinin but ebia na ka wo kotena ho no mo a LGBTQI blah 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 oh ya nyintum but you have to talk as a statesman, as a diplomat, and you have to be very candid in your opinion. And to me Omampani say yenya botre yenya botre to me the yenya botre na yentietie mu kakra say ye briefu no na also onya aware and now say because I am not aware this is not the first time where it can be a Mary power deal or say he was misled
yes
so that's here enti yam pardon ni yenya botre hwehwehwe mu kakra
yes so this aware na be hye ho na ye de agyawo se hwesoma me na ye ba na ade ni woni ye bisa wa we say me de na da ho na me nim se ni pass me se be fa you se enye ni pass me se What are you trying to tell us?
And I make us say,
did your opinion obey?
And I make us say, oh, pennies are mum. Sango and Trachra will say,
Okoye.
Okoye.
What is your choir walk on was Amba?
Because, show, me document, I mean, to me who I'm making kind, There was nowhere they stated it to say she was deported.
But information minister is defending. Information minister as well documented just say Mami no Okoye.
It is his work to defend. So that's it. And a Juma will be defended or a chief defender. And a Juma, a no Juma no. But document, official document, be a ni baby. The Aisha one we are talking about, you know. Nintaba no soon.
Yes,
Why the refs have film we? Oh, a very popular one, but me refi ni din no. Na I to say ade bi to say duaba. To oyemo a
na afifia nya
hini bebre no. Me hu se mo musa film na.
Ma me da.
Your friend is saying. Jack the Giant
Slayer. And I know.
Yes. Some movie no. Duaba kitikiti o. But say to oyemo a na edi some few minutes a obo say enya hini ti wo ye nipa kura na be nya hini a wo mu no apai na nya hini ni bebre sa na Aisha one say ho anete
otie
so that say owo hini bebre I say why you case no wo hini bebre
tu di agoro
enti wo hu hini we wo so mami ntwa da bi mami nkɔhwe ano no obo hu na wura ha na wura we bi so na ko sa
be hu na ba man kyere wa kasa
me to me ne me hu ni se maame na nya galamse nkwa no ye wo
dabi
galamse no ne
akata so
nya ne akata so eno na aba be popular asisi ya Ghana fo nyina e ko atia bibre ba but the warrior kese pa ye rosewood rosewood no nua se ye the container ba ko de kwa ebetimi akyekyere Ghana man nyina ebetimi akyekyere Ghana kuro no sika ye benya no enya no bi ne ye digina IMF no rosewood no wo de container ba ko tumi kwa burukyira
owie na hu se do mo se papa ne ye edanya da do
eno kra chen galamse no eno chen galamse no mo ye no rosewood no utumi de container ba ko e de ko pia burukyira sika wo benya no enye sika ketwa wo de obetumi asearch otorofo no se de dance ni wa tirichiri enti mo search rosewood se utumi de ba ko one container e de kwa burukyira sika wo benya
obi free ni
se minim se yakọ China na yakọ pebosia wono na san ansan ya me bidia minim
na nia me tete no ebi mu kra se ase China aban no e na asoma no
oh okay
yes China aban na asoma no na unso omo so asase omo ye koko na what no say yi akuafo no e tonton mu koko fuo am ye de ye galamse e ho asem beba ho asem beba enti se yempanimfo a ye no omo oman mu ebinom eyo omo adwene se omo de omo braso enti de omo di awuo ama ye sie wo omo enne e na omo dwen ho a ye de ye ni ho asem bi aka ye be ya famu de but ye be ja omo de omo ahye Nyankopon nsa because ye nyina ntimi nye president ye nyina ntimi nye MP ye nyina ntimi nye minister ye nyina ntimi nye MMDC na in fact me wura ho enra nwumra ne ho ye ho ye eri tina me de tora bia na minya kwanka ma du mi phone kura tutu atu
be bi
so me say enra could you believe say a home minerals commission minerals commission said the fight against illegal mining is so difficult to the extent say some chiefs and MMDCs
na say fat
no cry
chief AHENKAN odike be kan ya mo se mo nte ase
twa bole no tale na mapapa mami owura nya no
MMDCs no call ye can say constituencies omo na omo hwe so
na sa community mining na ye de ade
aye galamse aya se ne ntoma Galamsey ahyɛ atade.
What do you want just to say community mining?
Galamsey ahyɛ atade.
Anando muntu form.
Say no dey ahyɛ atade. O man pani so ahyɛ da kotwa homa mu.
Community mining.
Ana eno me pese omo ye ne sen eno no de e omo nkwa asase na ase
no de oyeso omo online since I monitor omo supervision so wo 24/7.
Hey ade ye ni ye o
it we should just forget about this Galamsey ade no a ya hye de ye ni say ye ko no Omampani Akufo-Addo has failed totally on this thing. And untumi mblemu ni so no nko na afeli ye nyina ya feli because nye wo fa bi ye wo so bi ye unnimu no politicians yi omo ana eye doctors yi omo ana eye
but obo said
enya ni sambo abontu sini timi meye wo bra fie eni nka ho
me ona sa na me ka san hemfu yi wo fa no hemfu ne wo fa ne wom MMDC no ye nana ne wom li
no obe da aka wo nkrofo na omubu omo yin na eye wo be da aka
na me ka no wa feli because on one kasa ne nkrofo cohorts around him omo na omo ye Galamsey yi
bi obi asem
ya bo nipa ba ku din wa asante mantemu se papa yi wo ye Galamsey ya bo ni din ababa what say obi a kire no
dabi ye kwa chine ohin ono bia na oro ye community mining
so vet me abanse
sisi omo ye community mining ti mungusu anya community mining na
we shouldn't we shouldn't pretend na we are laughing at the wrong side of our mouth.
If it is here too good, we are
not deceiving anyone. No, we are not deceiving anyone. Yeah, that. Sisi ana pesamin kubinya o. Pesamin kubinya. Pesamin kubinya.
Nkwa unya na
wadi. Sisi di ekoso ano no. Abusuya mu nyina memi mabusuya yin sa
ana meka yo
me ne me ma sa
obosa do meka di enya pan o yanka no kro first no abusuya mu yetimu sese bi ebi akomensa na ne bayi onum ade kakra yetimi di dentoboa nye di aso na sene
enani wo
utimi ko abusuya mu na mu nyina wa abroche busa ho se di entia ye so komensa mu akọ ono so ko no nya aka abafa ya akosu akọ kakra sa bosa busuya ni nyina ba na wo biem
dabi
ayo o ma ye bibi yo
kakra bi na kai no so asofo no enye papa no so ase no kakra bi na aka no asofo no omo adwene nya dwuma no omo so ate asi akire se no wona na ye bayifo ukọ busuya fia ye bekun ukọ busuya fia nkodidi te say ye create enmity e dey to extended family nim enti ye ne ye kwa yie kura na wuhia wona na bi no kochia ne nsam kra ese wona na wo de won sekoto ne nsam de obeje won nsam sa nsam bebre troka
na wo bai fosu obeku a se ye funumu no ko mia wukun
nsam bebre nsam troka enti Ghana ne de me se ye nyanka se nya boya mana ye besie ya
o ye gususie
na nyankopon so be bisa yen
gususie
asase a adosa de kama ewurade de ama yen se yen hwe so enfama da chinchiri mafo eduru yen so yen se ye di ase no na kwa me nkroma mo ye ne sa anke ba beto
enni asem no
ye na nana mo ye ne sa anke ba beto enen himfui omotonton nsase basa
to kais ni ade ni adidam sifie kukuruku no ono odam ni baba akofo edan himfa na abeda woda ba bi tia na da kukuruku si wo promfo bi nya ba bi na
ka wodam
eni bere boni
anya o me da bia meka panfo nyina mosisi adan dia gugugugu me ebi kura nim ba bi esie o waka obi nganjo so wo no wa bretimen su dan yo but then wasie ayi pe na tim watch mine se reso ma me pe na tim eti esu ayedan na agentia wo de anya hwe kura no wo de fasi ayi aka ne sei teachers quarters ibi anade sisi ayi na fama apartment wo de faji obi ade gi sister cdc wo de faji 26 wa bo obi
ebi asisi ya ne de Rosewood na ye kan wasa ene ego no
na nya we na vice president Kochi bi wo ye kan say
omo Kochi bi omo de
cathedral say dey
ebia
fahe
na dey ntimi ntwa nkoton
enua yi a eni omo de ye bi no edu bi no omo de ye ababia ba ne sa ne ma no edu bi no omo de ye na Rosewood yi na omo de ye sie hwe e ho no mo fefe yo China fo
o sha ntwa na we chi na
China fo China for oh ni omdi rosewood ne de and inti girl no ne so masoma na ba Ghana how and because of say your mpanimfo no bebre no aye dufu de pe hwe enie utimi yes utimi the container say e di ko pia brochire uye yomo ano no
owie
rosewood no utimi the container ba ko pie and me hwehwe mu no enya oman bia mu enewo I think West Africa or South Africa e Ghana penny bi wo
oh mobo
Ghana pa hey
me checking ye it's either West Africa or say Africa Ghana pe and a rosewood ewo
ni etibiani
hey pesamin kuminya edufu die mpanimfo yi bebre no adwem bone
na so mtirimu ma
na so mtirimu ma na ne ya werɛ hokura ne sɛ ɔmo gi ne sɛ yi a na ɔmo de akogu amanɔne o sɛ ɔsensa ase ne pesika nkwa no di bi adwuma ɛna mrantie ne mabawa ɛwɔ ɔman ni mu anya bia ye ɛna ɔmo nsa akɔ ɔman no kura nka ɛyɛ na ne obebi adwuma no nso ɔno nso betua sika baabi ara me adwuma yi sɛ ɔpani no adwuma ne dia no atwa ebo a yemfa ma adwumayafo boss no odi anim general manager ne gia no atetetetete so
akoso
no gia no atetetetete so into one day oba adwuma ni mu a impromptu anka nchiro bia oba ne ya sonsom ya no tetetete ho bosom ya so I say oh na ade na matua mo kana ase mo anim nya me fei ade ba akunya akukuduro I was boss. It's kind of the man here new. I said, me too am ye. Oh, nya. Say what was sa. The about one channel, yes, I nearby in general. To say we were bombarded and it's I mean sometimes me to say dream where I say then what part of a body no and ye free buy ye free he ye free mercury mu na ba ye ye free bobo planet no
Jupiter
ye free Jupiter na say ye free Mars so we dey want to say o minim sabe ma dwen ya me dwen no sa na ye nyina ya dwen sam Ghana i den ha yen because ye kasi nka ye be ma Ghana ayete sia buruchire kura ma nkrofo ya ba Ghana ha akombeba
pa
because enioma Nyankopon edi hire nipa bi odi bi amayen ye tetema oil refinery ho MDC ba no ma ye deda ye beye yenye no omko na MPP aba ye beye yenye tema oil refinery edin say eye oil refinery wosenka ye fam guo Nyankopon asan de amayen ye refine wo ho na nka ye nya so mfaso ye nya hwe ho enso ye wo CEO abosumi bia ogisika kese okot ho airport yes proposed land no ye wo director general na hwe proposed land no so MT ewura na wo so bosumi bia ye tua ne ka. This is the country we live in. The country called Ghana. The living legends. Yeah, no.
Yeah, mobo.
Omi entwaso. Omi entwaso na. Ensem no to da bi na. O kan.
Ya, o kan so muntie. Anayo monte.
Omfanya dwuma.
To the omote pa.
Ale luba to nyom no ante.
Enti bia.
Ayi e wo ha yi tum kura ne mo kakra.
Ayo ya se pa de.
Mo kakra. Enti
ade o.
Omo ye de ti obi.
Obi
bibi.
Omunya ni sa.
Ghana adisie. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ate edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Ipa radio chasi
Tiano no Lumba. I'll see you in Tubia. And no cry and penny friend no more memo no. Nya can be omotipa because I'm come my omni dino. Omo my who so omotipa. Omotipa.
Aye ampofo abesia amfita duku. Ai. Na wono ma bo no omotipa. Omotipa. Me se pani bi asem wo ne kan o so ye. Nyamo keka na nya say yenti o.
Yete.
Yete na se ye de be adwuma. Se ye de be adwuma. Ena we ya kan sa na eya na enya wo ya manyosem no nyina. Ena omo person ka system ni se ne tie no. Sa na nka yenko. Omo nya na nka be sesa. But I was say enipa bi gitum. So that's here. Enipa bi ti se o mampanyini. Agitum. Onipa bi ti se vice president. Agitum. Onipa bi ti se defense minister. Agitum. Onipa bi ti se interior minister. Agitum. So that's here. I was say nipa bi di kan agitum say nia ye pese ye ni na nka nhemfo no. Na nanom otumfo no mo ka say ewo mu no. Omutumi kasa me be me maame ayie nti obi ana na mpa abodamfo nyina ate ase ada
Obuoba
a omumpie
de me hunu bi de o say about 6 million rosewood trees have been cut down in Ghana for illegal exports to China since 2012, an environmental group says.
Rosewood I make I say adwuma again
6 million. That 2012 no wa.
Wo Ghana ha. On the way as far back 2006. Maybe document am who are making kind as far back 2006 no wa ha.
Hey.
Into your babri wo. Or your babri wa.
Any adin so.
Or your babri wa from 2006 no Ghana ha. Now ye illegal works ya. Ofiri kum Ghana nya no.
Ghana nye nyina fi obey. Ghana nye nyina fi obey.
China for mpanimfo na asoma again no. Na girl ni buy ni sika wo de aba no enye sika ketwa ene yempanimfo no so ani gisika ho yempanimfo no bebre no ani gisika ne to ho na there be China girl we kura ne to ben wo China girl yinufuo ben wo
enyo no
me woni say bia say yes apa dia say de yedrin na yes apa dia na Ghana for pay for ka say bi medi mu ho ya papa e bia na nya sa dia te say bia mo feles na akodidi ni ho entia sana mi hu na pa asawon awuri adi nyankopon aba
onia yankomra
abusiafo Ghana no Ghana akoma eti ma tidumade no asugusu awutie no o hia wa kire bia no so a anopa no nwotwe abo apa wisiman polipoli du pepepe na da obonka ta mo boso ne bra na aso ayede ba besum wei ani ansam ne de da obonka ta no matwera ba pa asha hwan so wodi mu akotre party se anya agroti eye the Ghanaian Observer ana me de asha ase Ghanaian Observer mu ono ana wade aba ose observing Ghana in trend to hwe mu no ana wade asahang aba wade ne ba aye no ana wade aye obenfo enin asumfo nyidi aba onu say waya aye obi a eba na mbambo semu a wabi wem pa waben ai kwesi enin no ana wo kire mu say sa asahang no maye nsuso no so biem da bi me nsuso no so biem onu mo ta kire tama me na chi nyina no ya hwem ne no munni sisi aza ma me no kwa ne sa so ni mana ma me na wontimi nkasa we no obeka chinchonchen no hu isi obi kiri
oso onte brofo
ndi chinchonchen na no de nam Ghana ha na Ghana am banfo no okay bi omususu ya ana o de interpreter ba obeti
oso onte brofo
obuwa wonte kura obeti etu ase mra ne ndi enne yeso akopiem asendibia nti ashahan ebeko akopiem asendibia nne na owie ye no o de Ghana man pay na dankwa akufadu fonyi de baaye woni atotoru ne ani ntiri bia di ahyiamu contractors ahodo mo cheche na nado dankwa akufadu enioma bia ni so na ni nyae se Eastern Corridor Roads no aw efrase ya ekoso na no na wo kire mu se 45 kilometers yes ana mo ma akoma akobe se akwansini mum kwansini be se aduanan enum akwa no ewo asikuma no o kire se o ma frase enche hwebe ebobo some no ewa fimpino ani aduonu miensa September 2023 wonu be wie tenwasem enso ode aba ewa hanomo owie ye no ena na dankwa akufado airport district assemblies common fund wonu ma administrator wo bona baso pa waso abono wo moden wo ye adwumaden de som party na dankwa akufado so abo na baso na enu achi ena na dankwa akufado ne sa to ne bo I promise on my honor so obedi no kwade dia mo my koko Ghana na waso Jospon group asene said ya be ya mo so omoboa na nkrokro mate no Zoom Lion companies for no obaso o masene no so atimi aye adwuma aboa me no matimi akonkan the Ghanaian observer Ghana no de onya de ba ye enie
Abusiame to a made the Daily Dispatch as a factually reliably factual. One also so and no not just an insem a democracy ye papa. Now dispatch at the Chief Justice Symphony Abetua Justice Akwesi Enin. Nifoni da has say any papa ne nia bri papa. What to be a mane a amanyufon watch and sebe a wamokika kafa judge for whom one share now one ye. And 70 be wa ye ye papa panti ono so no wa bo amokoko exercise 70 wa mo hwe na wa mo hwe ne ye dispatch kwata fa to so emienu ana wa distance 70 atudwa na dispatch ko ya ana Sam Okujeto wa no so atubia mane kanema penin dada John Dramani Mahama ana Sam Okujeto ya ye ke ya nyet ni enim ne dada we na wa ye enka ne mrahye bedwani ana tsawo no so atubi amane mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama wacha ne se waba monte no obekasa ne titu ajagefo ensem no wohwe se ensem ode ba monte nso nyina na deda na akwemu esisi so ensem ne sisi so ebetumi abo ajagefo nyuma wo mu edi wo mai mu kwata fe to so dumienu ana wode sansem ne atudwa na akwakata iso diaba kwata fe to so eduba ko no wo chemu se Ghana cat no enipa bia se empemba ku 1 million wama ye womo de enso womo sanka ye womo nkwankwaji egusu ewo National Communications National Identification Authority egusu wo matso ye nti womo sre papa ese Ghana card no wa ye wodi a won sanka ye nko na kwajiwe the Daily Dispatch ko wakrata no
na wasi fair reliable fearless fair and reliable da wakrata no eno the custodian da obakata no ede mfonyini bi dia ba na nado dankwa akufado akra ni mfonyini ewo mu ebi ena afe soso no opanyini kase ono ena tua Jospon group ano esu mfonyini ewa anemu bie ene ensa ato ensa yemu a wanum echia ena na nado dankwa akufado ka kire Jospon family ni say wabeta wonum achi pa esuomo awiamo on se eja panyin no okra ne papa eja ache so mo etutu bibia kama to mo kodase ena na dankwa akufado kota wonum achi ena humfonyini da obaka tai enso ede aba wode nsem bi atato kata fa to so mienu asem people eguo na owie ye no ena ode anka ne Ghana man panyini owura John Dramani Mahama esem se jata bare bambode se konkon ena ode ne mfonyini di aba ana wode atudwa kire mu sai Chinese fo ya ye ka omo asem enei achese nwasem edetayi waso wano ne peso wan pam nkrofo kura China fo yi wan pam kura no na nya mpem num ai ana opam wo ne mo achese opam wo mo kura so wie ye no anyakofo ada Ghana ne ye ne China fo ntam na da so ho enti wo nana ebi maba na pam wo ma so na me pam wo ne mo a wan sha na ya nyankofo mu akwatete ne ade na waja ma asha hwan asa ababiem anti nwasem na opanyini John Dramani Mahama so ede atudwa de custodian de Obuoba territory mfonyi ede aba na Eastern Corridor Road no so medical de nwasem amadada de Obuoba so ede aba sanso so na dankwa akufado a obo District Assembly Common Fund one administrator so abaso no so de Obuoba so ede aba ewa anum wei de custodian da obokata was fearless, fair and reliable.
Abusia the Inquisitor Kowakata na Edwin Sway redefining objectivity. Na Inquisitor so dia bow ane galam se wo bon ko eduye papa po jemu se ma me Aisha ene wo kwakopie mu esanso wo koto ane hwehwemu koso ye papa na wo kwakopie mu no hwehwemu na eto aso ya kwani akobisa ne nanu dinsem ekwa ofa so ba empo Ghana card no sensem kwa ye ofa so nya ye nyinada wadi kwakoto dwan ne dey ewo koto na kwakwata dia ba no wo kire se ECG Electricity Company of Ghana ane ogopie mo ECG awamasa kwakotwa wo mukaniem sentei wo modeka inti ECG kwakotwa kaniem a ane wadi Professor Enim Alhassa wono ana eye GBC boss yadi ni foni aba beto kama ohwese ne awosre na enkoye ye twa wo mukaniem na kwakwata ebodero ana wo kire se ankane kwako board penny ana wada no eye James Jackson ane otese wo saprio ese wo besaba ne wo ba beda no wo predendenden ane Inquisitor ko wakrata no ade ehusem nyinada atudwa
na the Herald the wakata no emu ensem ana busuafo me de etoaso enye ode atotodo ni anintini akuni ni mu enfonyi ade abache se enya agro na eye ankane eye osuafo a na wono ehwe atenten ne dwumadie so sei wode nfonyi ade abawa ha sanso so na eye empempe yi eye ukopie mu ewo eye Supreme Court a otemuafo panyini Chief Justice Enim yabo asoso mfonyi wa ha oya atoma de hye ai na empempe yi dia wo hwe eye atentrene eso eye onimonyamfo eye gofredame wono nso emfonyi da na asema etatuo nie na eye ankane eye minister ehwe no hwe atentrene dwumadie so adi tudwa ne din no kamhwe ne ya mihunu apia oben no ai na ba ko na ka ho no na yirame mihunu yi anu o kire mu se hwe wo oru agofere dame dwumadie na wudie no mabedi bi pan yo wate mabedi bi pan wo ka se atobo wate na wo nyanya yi bia sa se wahu na wo tsole wo totototo mane wo panyini sa de ya wakokasa de afa atemuafo omo ma kokko Ghana hunti oru adodo amani mahama asem okoka trawe we asem ayi kanda pa akwa bie na onti Ghana ha na wonti ya ade ne wa metsi na bo so na oru adodo amani mahama de ya okoka ye wani abre ne ho sa o se ha dwere ti da bokata yi ade mu ensem de abati de Herald da bokata no bomode ma honsanka na etu asem ni mu enkyene owie ye no ana wade eye opanyini ba konso mpipi amanyoko modim tintima pa ababi na so wakape na eye adwuma ai eno ye owura gabi wache da ko odinfonyi de aba na se de odin se sum na no timi se opanyini na wura ho ana wo se overnight rich man gabi wache da ko crisis Christ ma wasu yesu wosu adaye a wosin krofo bi akotwitwa aturo bi akeka nsem bi a chese ade agu nusu a chese ha twene pa wati ti wo se ha no no aye din a wodada obaka tai mu ha owie ye no ana da wosade abekere mu sai na nado dan kwa kufa de na pamfo owura kanda pa asem okoka ye de fa ye mlanimfo ene atemuafo ho o maikoko ganam ya no no wo mo jai sa asem ne de ato mampanyini John Dramani mahama anka ne Ghana mampanyini kafra okoka bi pa kohwe eno musi na abo so no enti o se wodwene ho awonte ase da oboka tadi mu nsem enso ede aba abusuafo we ni nsem ne bi akeka ho na the Herald da oboka ta no ede baaye
adweme toaso na mede Chronicle brasosem ko wakrata na etoaso na Chronicle de kanema peni da John Dramani mahama enfoni abetua afeisu mapeni empempre na nadda akufo adro ne de da ha na ensema Chronicle de tudwa kwata fa toso mienu ne miensa na wo kire se mapeni da John Dramani mahama kire se Chinese one na apenso wa pamu bi papa pene wa pamu kra ne Chinese for be say 5000 de otu o mase efri o maimu ana ko akrata di aba wo chem se sansem na o kan ye nukure bi anim ɛno wɔma yɛ hwehwɛmu papa doso me unsa ensɛm na mampani dada ɛka no nya de yɛ no korɛ kowa kwate ade ho nsɛm nyina ɛtodwa na mampani na na deda kwa akufu ado anatse no so emfoni eda kama nene district assembly common fund wo bo ma baso ye papa administrator wada no na atoshi wo bo na baso ye papa se ne wetimi aboa ama che se ne ni so ade hunu enso etimi abamu ne court awodo na wo sisi se ni so ade hunu nyina etimi abamu a empempren bia se 100 anatse se wo menya wo bo na baso akwa kwate ade ho sem etudwa na enoda anatse dom kuma no so Ephraim ensemtrafo hye mu wa mrahye bedwefie won monyamfo Harry na Idrisu won na gina wo manemu ade nsam ahodo todwo chem se sim card na National Communications Authority wa mu twetwem no emre bia ma ho kwansa emre bia ni wa kire ese National Communications Authority won betimi atwetwa ye sim card mu nti wo mu dom kuma no wo mu se wo mo ntena se enye hwehan enye ade asan hyehye ye we wo mo plesu ne wochna na de che enso eka ho ebiem we eye chronicle ensemene wode etu edwa
na credibility da obokrata no eye the founder wono so hwehwe Ghana hanom no ne nsema onyaye ene watintim dia bayi na wose se wohwe eye 2009 ho ade ba bepim na ya me no womu eno eye 2022 yi mu a eye wono mo omodo mo ahyehye eye foma gudie mu wa bra nya kwa paso ade se yensa ase yensuo ene obo ade ne mapa wo so na me kira galamse no wo se Chinese fo nko an omu wo mu a ya pam wono mo ko mu kuro mu nko an omodo eye mpem baako eye ahansia ene aduanan baako 1641 Chinese fo nko an anomu di galamse wo Ghana ha 2009 besi ne aya pam mo moko ana Aisha nko a de wa na ho se na ni edin wokọ beba enti eno wasem enso da obaka tai ade aba na owie ye no ene wo kire mu se enipa maako eye aduowotwe ensia 86 ana wono mo eso mo akonfo ana so mo se mo ahoma wo se eye 2021 ni mu a ene wo se afei nipa maako eye ahankono eni mienu 902 wanum so emeki attempt so omo pese omo je omo nkwafiri omo nsem wa bra omo ese wonem ho ana omo hye omo akonfo na arehu da bokratai edi mu nsem edi aba na owie ye no ana wasu kopiem oframantam susu a dmedia wodo aban dia gu akwaso a chese ekoso wadre no ani nyina ya akwantempo ahodo no wo chese maako eye aduonum enwotwe 58 rose project ena ekoso oframantam a chese enya agoro eti anwa asem so da bokratai edi aba ewa hanomo ni ese retire soja bi nso so eye healthcare bills na chese ayarhwani mu sikatua wasi wotua no wanya ntenam so se won na anyaw senso so se koba ni seyo wo chese ehu enam so ama eye retire soja bi watoa nananum ewoye ensiedo ti bia sika wasi komu hia ede hwene yade no eno na chese mse wanya na chese wahwere ne nkwa na areho ti da obaka tesu di mu asema ba
abutwa so the daily searchlight ko wakrata no was in service to God and country na to say wono wasum nyakopon san som wo manyi na ko akrata de ma meshali ayoko botwe emfoni abetua ana wakyerɛ sɛ kratafa etoso mienu emu nsem nyina dagoɔ wakyerɛ sɛ sabre okokopie mu okongwa ane Ghana fo mema bi abiesem aduonu enkron ana se wo makokokɔ wa wo nsem huhuhu tiko akrate ade wo nsem nyina da tudwa kɔ mo fa so kɔye wo mu kodua kra ne atotototo amne wo mu namu wade wo nsem nyina atudwa na a contractor force no wo mani abri wa hayo wo mo si aban ni twa wo moka aban ne de wo moka enti wo hwene wo twa wo made mo manyuma wo maye no wo fa musika mo pepepe searchlight krata fa to so ensom ana ti se wo gusu a wo bodero wo ho dendenden na kwakwata di aba no wo che se akwesi adai wodike wo gusu a wo kasa wo beka ba ko no egusu sense won wa beka bi ato aso krata fa to so mienu wase wasra ban ye papa wonhwe na surface mining na ekoso ewo man mu no won twe ensensen won mon sensen se ne be ya wo man ni betimi atumpo anya sa pa dia wo man Ghana bebi agine anya dia ye koyenim anya dia susu ye koyechi yaka ye ni na ye denante enti wasra ban papa se ne nsem no wohwe na wontie ne asopem wei eye the daily searchlight go wakrata no
na daily graphic say ono the double wakrata no no kwasem pepepe ena bibia so dededem abre bia odi nsem bia baba bia no temamfo nyintum ese no kore trodododo to say truth and accuracy every day ena wa say eye dom keto amra se badwafia wonom edon endi samanyuku no ena afi eye PPP Progressive People's Party wonom akomontuma apamano ena omo atwomano abia so ena omo di ejam eye asoom na hwe nkitawudi adwumadi so communication ministry no ena omo ka kyerɛ omo say animu ya asasem card wan na one more year registration no mo ye no mo nam so mo block nkrofo SM card no omunyai senya sa ombete apia gu omo ho nti da waka ta so de ho asem ede aba owie ya no ana said ye de sumo ewo ne ya no pa no si aka ka siebo mu no eye Securities and Exchange Commission omone Economic and Organized Crime Office wonom si an kankyere Ghana fo se omo de list bi aba montene enu ye companies awudo bi omo so mu di sika wudwa na sa companies no hweye na wanfa wanko domo omo sanse wanhwe ya omo de ubesim amoaso be yeshi ti ahonso so da waka tedi aba owie no chese nipa mako enum wono mo atog eye galamse ya ye kan wasem ya yesi entu ase yi wo makoto bi mamna mu atese wo ma tonam awoye ense do
anim de ya mobo obekom na China ni nka ho o ma tona nan mo se do
China for committee si yesi galamse abu aku bi na China ni ka ho menyanti ana anu esi
me dia minti bi da tembe ebugu a ye hu ne
before na ebu so mo no said o mo se me ye training no ntino na wa uga se on the crane
na bebre na so mu wremu China fo bebre na mu wremu
na Ghana fo ne wremu
ana wrem
mo soma mo ebe wi se kuma ka
mo de nkade ne ba ti o mo de ba na ye de wrem
na mo supervise eti we a daily graphic da waka atani mu nsama ena no pay wono so de buy ye
abusia metwa so na me the daily analyst or say without fear or favor onenye so no wonu osuro bia enti waka ne sem na pem no kresa na wode eye wo my Ghana minister for information eye won monyamfo akwadwo oponkroma ne mfoni abetoa woguso a wo akyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm woguso a wo akyerɛkyerɛ mo mampani nsɛm a obeka ya sɛ wono a wonim esa Aisha ye pamu no si ya pamu no wonim ana papa iguso a wo ye mu kyerɛkyerɛ mu wodi mu kyerɛkyerɛ mu nyina da to daily analyst e bo hu dero na analyst ko wakrata de mampani da John Dramani Mahama enso mfoni abeto a wo kyerɛ mu sɛ wono Gracia yi wanyi bi wa obi obeka so obeji oji bibia woboa waso no de oji aye monthly pension eno pen woji wo ye no free one aka bia no wa hohoro ne safety ho enya ade a woji bie obede ho sem nyina to dwa krata fa to so miensa ana fa 9 no emu na ko akrata kro ye ade aba no wakyere se okopie mo ankran pumpuni matema NDC amanyi ko ne krabata wo wotutune ni a woda no Joseph Kobna was NDC amanyukon papa se empenifo wodi wo manim prempren wo hwe enkrokra wo mumwa kosisa wo mso abenwa no wo betimi aba bedi so na wo madi o man Ghana eso wode ho sem nyina da atudwa afa Security and Exchange Commission the ruba wo mo bokoko ba wo mo bo Ghana fo no ko akwate eguso wode ho sem enyina da atudwa na NPP amanyukon ni kire se sani omai mu ayede na kabrikitu we bi mampeni na adedan kwa kufado wa betutu niema ye papa ma omai no asejina pampen ti yanka yakoma entu ye yem daily searchlight dia wode baye eno no
searchlight na de baye
analyst
my yen wo the new crusading guide ba ko pena midi free wonom de aba na se China for ne de omai se de atwa konkon ne kan ye no we na ase owifo no oba obekum na wawia na wasai ana nkrofo wo mote sanse ye ne asase nso so a ye sanso wo man mu so ye so no so mo pa agi aboso omo pa agi aboso ma sam na kwa kopie kotu ye di asase no awura di nyanko
mese anyo omo adepa anyo omo ma witness bida Ghana ni timisi fie pa na nyonko Ghana ni pe baby ada wo so on farmer wo China ni
sa
on farmer wo ye den so on farmer wo da
Or the chan.
Aye. Enti anya omo a ye ka hu bi.
Yate. Ya mo ye nwa abro sa. Ya mo ye nwa abro sa.
Ya so omo so.
Hey. Champion.
Why be you on?
Yeah.
Na unse Omampani Akufuado. Echo Peace FM. Was it last year? Na ohini bi ho asem ba ye flawo. E-blog bi omusi
last year.
Unse e-blog no endra no commission ye. Endra omatimi asie wi Omampani akwa commission na ohene no ye frɛ no Togbe Amenya Fiti. Or na se mbeka ye oma ayi education minister 4 months ultimatum say
o mesi dan no
sa wa ma mesi a
o me pijam firi ho no mana
na de mfiri ho e ma Omampani say oh opani ya ka tell si ebesi nti nya botre mai ozo su ni abotre ene nti si wona say how de a kokosi
wa de
afi de Omampani omo ankasankasan akosi ama enra ewo aplao Omampani Akufuado akoko machine fe e-blog no oh efe pan
e-blogs na efe o
almost just 26 classrooms 5 departments and a science block and so eka hu bi Omampani enra akoko machine inti aplao oman hene Togbe Amenya Fiti Meje di sesi ya de
na kuma toni
mu aba na mo beka ya in 2016 okay in 2016 Omampani dada mahama wabra wo be sori akonwa so no through ne chief of staff Sabreno Julius Debra ochro krata de ma abanya na eba akonwa so anase party na eba aban mu no esi efia otimu no sa fie no ope se ho no mo na okọ na homegie mi obetena yamfa ama no but mi bisa se owura ya wosafo mafo omo friend sen o ya senior den
o senior advisor
mi bisa se ehefa no wote amen komra ni eni no ho nkobo
all right
ye kwa ma no so na ye ni Jonathan Jonu ono no eye president edema Teacher Trainees Association of Ghana. Jonah Otemenka, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Bibi abako de.
Na do bibi abako mbasona nzo.
Nyame adom yenso ye ho ye pa. Enti yenya ne tie se mo sre mo atichafo se wo mo strike no omo suspend before ameba ho no o ya we se nra the principals association no so no mo koshia ya omo meeting no and inconclusively we are aware about it no
yes we've had the information
nti maji details to sa meeting e course no
yeah in details here after the meeting we tried getting in touch with the leadership from both sides but we've not been able to get into contact which we are still trying to do but for what we heard is that the meeting ended in a stalemate. There was no headway.
All right, then yamra mo so mo issue ana mo reason why were you pleading with mo a teacher for say omomra back to classrooms in metro ma there when mo ya aware of issues o ma raise mo person pending for solve them awom.
Let me state this on record that is the tutors. What all we are calling for is that they should find a way of resolving their issues so that they affect the students, especially the final year students. That is all we are asking for. Because as we speak, final year students are on campus ready to be engaged by their tutors for them to write their exams in October. Or on October 28th, we should finish our last paper and then end this whole 4-year course and that has left us in frustration. As I speak, the students are itching to finish the course as early as possible. So that's our plea. We understand their situation, and like I said earlier, we will not in any way stand in their way to get their issues resolved. But in getting their issue resolved, we are only asking that anytime they go to a discussion table, they should have the interests of the students.
The students at heart.
Yes.
Okay, Inti, I don't know whether you are privy to some of the things they are pressing home. Say, and pennyphobia to me, are you privy to some of them?
I think the one that has led to this leave is the fact that they have taught for a whole academic year without rest, and they feel that they should be compensated, which of course I agree with them, that they taught for a whole academic year and they need to be compensated.
All right, Inti, mu issue you say yes, you are in tune with almost seminar, almost air canon, but almost call round table no for discussions, almost consider schools students
Yes.
I see. All right, my NAS na fe bibiani ayen san brown chambi why? Super. Inti any Jonathan John Uono president edema Teacher Trainees Association of Ghana. And you know, train community set up the catch on Enra principals of colleges of education, Prinkoff, Omo any CTAG, colleges of education, teachers association, also Kukushiaye. Omo meeting earlier, medical Bumwa Maniacho say, and they inconclusively heard ni muso omo reschedule omo sign acobium omo paramount issue omo ka ho asem nyina ne say omo achira de throughout the year leave was ye omo ko no enwa de ye omo ko leave na say ye adwuma ye ko leave ana omo ko ye ha ye ko so wa when ye din anu age holiday bi ba ko bi but and that normal we need the adwuma bi ye leave enti a teacher for no so manyinyin endra na me ne ayi me monitor man yi omo president no o say teacher for ni afi enti say unse o twene saa no abema na break it down onipa de o twene saa o be break it down enti ye twon kakra na obi abeto azo
aso omo nkwa ye ditate deduction bem
say e be deduct free ni salary man wan call asin
so e bia ono answer free ni pemu na e bia wan call obi anim ho hwe obi anim na enti a wan call de a ye ti free
sa chere for no
no
chere for
no I don't think so
na
private school
government one no
government school
okay
why you no wa bra na una kakra
no da
na rezo
me question am bi saye no e bia na obi ewura free ne ho kakra who's a former president Mahama can say me chere Ghana for the enchane e refi asem kamia kwese no kre ana no kre kamia kwese no kre na say
I refi honhom wo so
Ghana for the enchane refi no kre enti ma Minkin kana Januwa mumunkin kind. Making can make us say bia. Fama no one can come me. In 2016, time one more year transition period, you know. Almost year transition period, you know. Penida that John Dramani Mahama through the chief of staff then, Honorable Julius Deborah. Ochirokrata bi de ba bi nwa back in Kama na fi me kase me nchire Ghana for.
Etino, I'll say office of the president, Flagstaff House.
Then.
Aye.
Okay.
Date near 19 December 2016.
19 December 2016. Okay.
And I'll say residence or office for His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama. Reference and what me shall say no. Also reference Osafumafu
Julius.
Yes. Deborah.
Sa time no Osafumafu na lead omampani no transition team no.
Discussion of 19 December 2016 on the above stated subject. Not just a subject near mampani dada fie.
Yes.
We wish to indicate that His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama would like to have Bungalow number 3, Prestige Link, Cantonment, Accra and its adjoining facilities as his official retirement home. His Excellency also wishes to have Bungalow number 6, 3rd Avenue, Ridge, Accra, as his office. We count on your usual cooperation in this matter.
Thank you.
Niane Sasha Sie.
Julius
Deborah. Chief of Staff.
Then. This is a former. enti krata we omocho no 19 December 2016 and o chroye e de kokoma yewura ya wosafo manfo and wo ka che ne se omampani da John Romani Mahama fia no watimu saa bre no okọ na ho megie mu yin opesa saa fie ho a and wotena se o besum wie no wo kwa ye ma ba bi ma wotena and o so o ma mo ha mo ho kra nkopɛ efie foforo mame baabi amatena de ya adwuma no ano ɛhɔ a na me yɛden me penti mu ntena hɔ ɔmo ampene ɔmo amfa ama no ne ɔmo te ase yɛ rage hɔ no ɔde yɛ ne office no but cantonment hɔ no ɔno no atena ɛde ya adwuma na ɔso o ma mo ha mo ho ɛhɔ a na me pɛ no ya amfa ama no ɛna me bi sa mo question no pɛ yi sɛ senior presidential advisor ɔte he
say they also be your apartment
ote he efie nu a omampani da Mahama kan se wo pɛ no ya mfa ama no me bisa senior presidential advisor say he fa no no ote
ene akora
ote fie nim
o telenkulim
we afam fo breme
o telenkulim nti akora
thank you
wasuma yase wote hen
sa
yebesi ehu wote hen
efie na John Mahama se eno amu no atena ya adwuma nti na ni aka fie ho yemfa fie ni ma no enya se yemfa ma ne se bia oyadufudi pe oye entitled to a fie anti se yemfa ho ama no kra den e be ma ne fie so that is eno se fie no a me matena mu dadadada no me pe ho a
mfa ma me
nti ebisa no pe se senior presidential advisor ehemfa
and what here
okay
ayetiawa
simple question ebisa no
yati say obi ya no
na sisi ya na me saka krata we
okay
from Frame Prince production Dana Samoa ne production team no omo no me adwuma no womo so omo atwa omo ne no contract mu
Dana Samoa
Dana Samoa na kasa so de nsa ahya ase e na Emmanuel ana ne Frimpong ono so de nsa ahya ase wa ha no mu nti eno so eno so be wa wo be san kan ama me Dana Samoa ne production team no ayade a di aba ne se o ma terminate wo mo contract it is say minimum production team ebe manage no enti kinka man na fe yen
na o hwe date na sha se na 4th August 2022 4th August 2022 Evangelist Dina Asamoah and at Krata command was termination of contract. Frame Prince Production has been working with you by producing and marketing almost all your songs since the year 2000. Following several breaches, verbal agreement to work together, the management of Frame Prince Production has decided to terminate the contract between Dina Asamoah and Frame Prince Production. The terms of termination are as follows. Not say nienti ayetwe mu no. Niedikan or say you are restricted from referring to Mr. Anane Frimpong as your executive producer. They are taught to me you will no longer have access to any of our digital platforms.
Yamfa ne baako. Ayi krata no mu nsɛm a edikan no. And say a Frame Prince and a wo Evangelist Dina Asamoah ono ma ya adwuma emfie bebrenie e free 2000 and ono ma ya adwuma wonwom a wotu nyina omo ana omo manage na e free emprempren ya wo kenkan krata yi ya de akɔ no sa nhyehyɛ ya na da yemienu ntam no
ate
yetwam na twa ya twam no ye be kyerɛ niema ahoduo bi a ɛno no de wonnim na woyɛ waso be hye
You are restricted from referring to Mr. Anane Frimpong as your executive producer.
Enti free na call radio su TV su Facebook baby abetena bia woni hu tumi sa wo beka say owura Anane Frimpong ene wo executive producer se ne ya me ka say odi ahenkan ne executive producer no wo ntumi nka bi biom they say wo kan Anane Frimpong wa wo se ma no kokotwe a wa no afom ana wo kan na Frimpong also ye madamfo but so be kaso ye executive producer there
boy
untumi nka biom
Metwaso, or say you will no longer have access to any of our digital platforms, including the Facebook page, the Evangelist Dina Asamoah.
And you say the Evangelist Dina Asamoah Facebook page, you know. A hormone on so any BBA. Unsa ya o type Facebook live. A hormone we BBA or any BBA. Na e no mo ka say no so ni ye. Prince frame Prince no edia. Enti e free ene ya kono. Sa Facebook page no ohun a wontwam. Enya ne dia o ma je free ne nsam. Ontumi nso nkọ ho.
And you are restricted from using this Frame Prince logo on any of your new songs.
Enti Frame Prince no omo ahyensode bi wo ho. O to nwum bia na ade beto ho na obi ehunu se o anwum di efiri ha. Efiri na ko ntumi mfa ento nwum bia ho biom. Asa.
Metwaso. We dislocate ourselves
from disassociate
from the Abba Father event, which was created to build your brand.
Eti un say Dina Asamoah wo program bi a afi bi a wo ye Abba Father. Sa Abba Father no so omo an omo create ye Frame Prince for na create ye, but omo atwe omo ho afiri ho. Omo mfa nko, omo de wade amaw. Yentoaso.
We wish to also dislocate ourselves from the Mabowudin company and all accounts.
And to almost the associate you ho, atwe omo ho. E dey free, yes your company be a firm Mabowudin and aden.
Any account
bia e fa Mabowudin ho.
I say Frame Prince solid right over all songs that were produced in their production.
Asam ne kase nie.
Eno ni asem.
Enwum biara yen Frame Prince. Ena enam yeso a eba abonten. Wo Dina Asamoah. Uhunu sa anwum no abudanichie. Untumi ntu. Untumi ntu sa anwum ni biom. Enti enwom ahodo am produce ya Dina Asamoah efiri na ko untumi ntu biom.
Ne edikan. Wo na mani agina wo.
Wo na mani agina wo Dina Asamoah ne to ye. Efiri na ko untumi ntu biom. Obie na no ne sa anwum na e ba kura asem ato no. Onkana no ntum.
Asem wo.
Yensanti enwum ni biom.
Ne atosu mienu. Mabowudin
na mafrɛw. Enti mi be nya kukuduro free ne Dina Asamoah ntimi ntu biom.
Na so obi timi to obi nyumu.
But so ntimi ntu biom. Mabowudin na mafrɛw.
Obuoba. Ne atosu miensa. Akokɔ
abon kokuroko. Enipa nyina sorry everyone. Eno nso so Dina ntimi ntu biom. Oto asem ato no.
Ni atosu nai Pentecost ja.
Eno so ye Pentecost nyom a oto ye. Eno so otese ye to oba bi kura no odene na bo pampampan wasa.
Na so be na oja sunsunku ni atosu sia osi momome
ama Kristo asafo. Eno so ntumi ntu biem.
Na nyom no de ayiwo mu no. Ni atosu wude mufua.
Ohini kese wude mufu eno so ntumi nto.
Enwatwe tata last time.
Mawie.
Ntumi ntu ene se wawie o.
Wawie nso ampa. Ntumi ntu biem.
Ni atosu nkunu. Pentecost sorry. Eno so ntumi
ntu biem.
And or the say failure to comply with these terms may result in legal action. And I'll say please sign below.
And on also why then one kind saying. See a better much no.
Na mimpa anya me no boba me mashim. O say nyum na.
O na say Dina o nyum bebre.
O nyum bebre mu.
Enti nyama bodi nyina na waje afri ni nsem a still have him day. Vim day.
Na anyum se abubo bontumi wo mu.
Se ya no afa na o be create ono na account foforo. So as here. Say edin Evangelist Dina Asamoah de enidin. Enti ono nso betumi aka kire mo say din no. Mo nso mo nsesa no. Because ye bi din a me nso ye de wo me. Un say senka eye mo tututu kidi no sa no man dia obere na mostly no eya na ye brand no na de sa din no and I say record label na di din ne ma wom but we ni de ono ani din ye friend dan na samoa so that's here enti no no so betimi aka say mamon fa mi din nya hwe biem enti asem no ne etie no no what you see no nso esan
was ena me ma shimi
so what you see
enuma kese say na ebia wakọ osori ebi oye osori na enwum ne say osori de ho nkonkro de ni ye ejuma
wo se ho nkonkro kai wo se sa anwum ne nya ode abiem hwe contract agreement is on to me
ena na biza so obi timi to obi nyu
ena me say obi to no wo tie kwa na obọ hwere mafa ho asem ato no
no mga se mo obi anso moy
na
obi ade obi anso me mga se obi ambo
oye den
I say no de ni krater nim ti de o krater nim yen so egusu edi ho nkomo no
ano hye
enti dan na samwa no so no de no enti me say bi sa senior minister me agya mokwan na makọ say senior presidential advisor say ni position no dan na ye wura mahama timu amomfa ma na mamfa ma no no me bi sa senior presidential advisor wo wote he se sie ya ye kese wo he
otifie
efie be mu na wote enipa anya sa o enipa anya sa
etwitwa mni bia sra ya yana
na ade abaako eno nso so ekoso wo Ghana Airport Company oma interdict odwumayeni bi ewo ho na eni nyina ne se Deputy National Security Minister wakọbọ ne search wabọ ne search nti ya interdict no ede nti na Deputy National Security Minister okọbọ ne search wo nipam wagu nanimu ase
na me de betimi abom search wo nipam also say mra no say evidence say we are all equal
ero ne ade
before the law
ero ne ade brofo na twi no ka no
na brofo na making
and also what's here
we are all equal before the law obi anchan mra no
sa emra emu de he
Ghana ha
momo Ghana mra na say de he
Ghana mra de bi chen wo
nti ya interdict no yes wakobo National Security Deputy National Security Minister
it was say ya na ye kan ye hu hye wo
wakobo ne search we nipa mu
enti sesia emfa say Obuoba ye na firi wo e de obi fufura be sina na emu a oji se obe ye adwuma ne ye onye osuro mame na mase na usia senior presidential advisor no bizan say otehe nti se usia na bizan say opani otehe mame na mase na ye ntoa so ewa ha enti we mu nyina ye nsem a ekoso but medical so aka kire say Aisha 1 o say one no ni issue no very very big so we see who follow a ubetimi adi akira ama ubusua pani kura no ahoma na be kekere no ama wa hwe ahunu asem a obeka the lady is so strong and powerful as far as Ghana are concerned. Garam say kwa de no ne adwuma o ye mu ketwa o Rosewood no o de utie mi a make use of wo phone e kura osisi ya no na ekọ Google ne ho na bisa Google ne say utimi e di container Rosewood container baako e di kwa buruchira in dollars no Rosewood container baako ye ton sen wo de wo ye sa adwuma no me pesa wo ye sa adwuma na wo de send sisi ya o ye wi a fafa 0594841044 0594841044 uwi ana de aba be compare nia menumi yempadimfo de akogina IMF ayeje ye IMF agi sika na no meti yesi yeji be $3 billion aden ye de ba bebo ama yen sidi no enya ahoden ene ye di gina IMF honomo meanwhile Rosewood encrofu etwa fam Oil and Marketing Company Limited OMC say wo Ghana ha omo amotonton fuel ama bie fuel stations no makmako 17 sika wo so mutua de ma ban okika bomu a eye $207 million ama ntua amfa ma tie ama ntua amfa ma ban
ama ntua mfa ma ban na omo tua no ma ntua mfa ma ban no enye omo fault so ma ntua wo omo de ma ban ne nipa kakra bi age nti ameduru aban kofasi mu $207 million ayira afedi yesi ye hwehwe yensu ye gina IMF epe $3 billion yeti Ghana ha na auditor general afibia auditor general the report aba financial malfeasance ne bla bla no ma church brofa ke se de atoso petre na sam sika nko a eko corruption emu buburuja yentimi nye yegina IMF epe 3 billion enanu ya yesi yakojisika wo Afrin Zim sa loan no ayekwakoje $750 million no afi yensa ka sika ya ba sika na ba ne yenko kan a sika no aka $730 million ye kwakwaji sika $750 million na sika ni beduru account ni mu a aka $730 million empanimfo ama mani amre a nanka ya tibi ya de fa he. Why are we so wicked? We are so wicked. Na efa ni pesika na de akọ ye pesika na de akọ he. It's so bad, so bad. Eti galamse ne de me ka kire ye mpanimfo no ebetumi a omi enya sa nkomo no aye die no because san nkomo na aye enko bebia o de me koba me do ebe fam ebra Aisha Juan eba Ghana eni enioma hodo a Aisha ya baba beye wo Ghana ha ye kire no ampanimfo bi etumi bam frɛ se sa baba wa ne munya no na mpa ye gya no ye confiscate ne properties ya empanifo to me fresh make sure you release it within time the amount of time let make sure you release it as quickly as possible so release ye kwaba ye ba ye do beko dated back when she came here in Ghana and in niema hudu bi a Aisha ye bepem sa abre a yentimi enche no na Aisha no ye hwan ma yen komra ye ba ye de aka e de betwa so e de ma me pa cho tie we ma yen ye ba sisi ya
only the for dream baby obetimi aye investment and as obetimi di usika akokoto ebetimi aye adwuma ma obosomoso a when ye kakra etumi ade atafre ana ene de mekanfo bisanyame power investment e de ma eno penny investment company na wo Ghana ha na mo a omo ye very credible omo di usika ne ye adwuma na bosum bia so no yetumi ama omo oha ne titemu 7% usika bia de beto bia no ye calculate 7% ne yetumi de sanfa so no etumi de ama na usika botin no esanso eda ho dwuma koi omo so ye kese no e wo kaswa new market saso no mbesanso another branch ewo tema committee 9 agresso edro de no foforo kra eno ewo agresso edro ewo tezaku eni donko ensas eni di ehwanimu so openchirem bia eso sen de medesum sisi aso dia frempeni for 0557 228512 0557 228512 na watumi pay for etmi edi sawo ehonmo bisayam fataso di
Ghana Akuafue Adama West Africa emamo adwuma o Adama West Africa eye agrochemical company wo Israel na watena se ahwehwem ahunu se Akuafue to mne bia emfue timi gimafuo nyina e de boso ni titiru ene esre se esre na agi wafuo aboso dia ene na mekanfo agile e de amount wudua no bi ti se enkruma tomatoes nyadoa watermelon meko ayoyo anafe abroba abra esre na fifi fofora eba no hwehwe agile na first spray esre so ansan wetu akwa akotim anase wo de watimi mpo awie no na de agile spray esre ni nyina so hye no so mema esre ni nyi bebre ansana de agile akwa spray so de hia se wo behwe 10 tomatoes eketo ano no ahye ba akopɛ de agu kafukafu afidie yimu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma se wo de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhyerene a wo no ban na agu no entingu eno achi no akuefo mo nso dua bibi ti se beans enkate ana fe so ya beans no mo nso hwehwe vezil ekunfue na se prekopɛ edi free sa no be ye ase de se wo ye nie unya hu se enfue na hyase e ba pe hwehwe vezil na first spray na se wo de spray so pe ubetu enfue na se nyina wo to vezil a wobetimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kure ya nso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils anase obesusu atra ye dididie no miensa na wodi nsuo 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina anase wobefre 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana kuafo ye jimudi
Wububa Yansiativo You empenfose atibenya tibetia ekinigeni ho na nyansani nso yebunu be yenkanasem anunti ahenkan 93.3 FM memni da bia enumre nonson ekopem no wotwe hia oheneba ousu ankoma ene kwame asante womra omaje akonwa kase na omode ababu odwumadie ebrew se wo empotam ha na wobetimi abuba brahenkan 93.3 FM na be kire wo krachi powers ewo ababum sansen penfo kase 20 yanu musana ne afadwen kusie nya fufu ankobedi nanso waduro ananko ne bom ya no mese ububa yansi atibo memni da bia enumre nonson kopem no nwotwe case cruise.
Sweetheart, me check your dear what you have asisi awai me basisi
na Mr. E no wafa de
hey Mr. E de hu hia o papa
odo e was hu hia me
hu ba hia wampa esan say E-man capsules Express Healthcare e de abadwa so eno na mema ye mema canteen kan kasa obi a sexual weakness low sperm count and now the bunny kakra bi na na beseko kojoto ana prostate disorder bi na how no me pacho E-man capsules aka Mr. E ema waye bema mu sese de E-man capsules no ya shemu kenan kasa ama unumu abema obebo adwuma birika Express Healthcare and the E-man capsules emema droma pa e de aba na nuachi no omo the Express garlic bitters e de abadwa so obi a wo asthma diabetes, stroke and how high blood pressure and na bia wo nan no anxiety triti kakra no ana waya kese abro so no eye Express garlic bitters ebema so ate E-man capsules emema dia Express garlic bitters emani memma ne nkoda nyina numbi nanso de onu fie dumienu entimi numbi wo hwehwe Express Healthcare no watu dodo a ko adenta pantan e won kran
akimoda ochiniba Kennedy Drugstore LB Amwafo always Kede Repair Pharmacy Martin Kumi Accra Kings Walk Heba Posh Ventures and Harrows Heba
Anafre 0244 866 240 Express garlic bitters Mr. E near emema ye be adwuma birika say ya
hey Agwazi Jadie Ujafo ena ne car engine ewuo ya esi wodro so fitting shop wo no
bra enyo ne kanfu si horse engine oil man no ogia ene ne ekire PSA bra me na masam no akrabato yakasa se horse engine oil no ene wo special additive ehuru engine mu ma ne che
me dwun ho won
na via da kra ene me ne e ka ba fie na me fa
the whole world open quality engine oil horse ene wo so say private cars
15W40 and 20W50 ama drivers ene ka wona fo nyina
afi motorbike abobo ya ena pragiafo no mumu de mu hia eye horse special 40 eno ena riders and mechanics e wo sem use you
unua no kure wo mni say horse product ena ye papa ane bonso e wo form sem frimu fia e free na kro horse engine oil nko na begu me car engine mu
ene free horse for 0244 577 559 and 0240 800 007 horse products
enua
adwumayfo me mamo ayiko ya na former way
master me wa ha
na nanu cement me kotoma mo se mo fa nya adwuma no sai na former uhu cement no
oh master wunim ade papa
that's right
Unisam cement okofa ba ye no se wo total so se wo gba price no se wo twa block so se wo to block so ama ye adwuma ye mbre
Unisam cement that's ramati so we mason we labourer we foreman na so pesa wadwuma ye fa ya kono na gina painting dia that is the product Unisam cement your bottom and a paper mu die
na so bi pe cement papa say ya ehemfa no ben bi ato
so we pe Unisam cement bi ato e wa chim dan ni patam ha we be kwa some cheese enterprise your amantra ya ni Dukes filling station and di ehwani mu fly 0243 583 190 and 0540 so we amazing and now foreman na udi enipa be to cement babru 50 bags so a ye chewade free some cheese enterprise and di aba achim dan amantra ya ni Dukes filling station edi ehwani mu
adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN 93.3 FM. Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN 93.3 FM.
Maakye edi dwumadi agusu a wutie mpacho ye da se wo hwe omre no asimane nsia ena abo apa nopa nonkono eho dwumadi agusu a wutie no so yato ne din se Maakye ofremi Obuoba Ofori Amanfo adwen kyerɛ no fafa 0594 841044 0594841044 what if I ba ye kwa animu ye betimi ahwa kenkan kama the amount enunti sedem di kan ka kire wo say on the Aisha one issue no ye baby bisa questions bebre na ye jai anu ye ne de ama mu atiefuo no ene empanimfuo bi a yesusu se wo mo ho bom mu no ye be jai anu ye ne de ama wo mo na omo so atumi e de anu ye de ama ye ba before ma me kwa homa ne so na me ne deputy national youth organizer edema NDC amanyokuo no eye owura Eric Edem Agbana Eric otimi nkan from Sudi Maakye
but I say na me chia woni yetiefo nyina no pawe
etiefo ejo so pa enti yehu se we raise issue bi e de afa National Communication Authority and minister in charge of a ministry no where is the issue be their form so omu need to me some be block SIM cards a day the mouth can't ask me
without Ghana man Ghana yadi emra ena yadi ye juma intina 1992 then you na ya adopted a constitution, from the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Na emrana yewo your constitution mono. Eno ena aye supreme. Eno ni powers ana emrano echen policies ana directives via president, minister ana ubia betumiama Ghana for. There can say re-registration of SIM card enya de boni re-registration because Mekai Pa said time now the Honorable Haruna Idrisu Oya Minister for Communication you register your SIM card eto asusa umanibu amamu beye communication minister eto asusa the na different ana distinguish the CC and say first registration is now no to me use your passport, your driver's license, your voter's ID card, and any other accepted national card. But the using the CCI only say a Ghana card in Kwana or to use your registration. And you're the bonnie. Because here to me, yes, our registration now. That SIM fraud. Any I'm Robert, I'm over to me blackmailing, I'm over you OB number, now my friend, I bet to me up track and not tracing in now. From NDC time, bedroom registration of SIM card is nothing strange, it's nothing wrong, and we must all encourage Obias and all register. But the MIA be more yes standing against the course of the CIS. Honorable Eslautu. Oya chichi man to say no or your headmistress or one nursery school and I Ghana for in nursery kid. Sorry, now to Papa and my directives. Directives are and you're consistent with the laws of the Republic. Okay? We are public officer, we are minister of state, we are president car, yeah taxpayers and I joke. So you have to be humble, come down from your high horse, then making sure, say, it is in the interest of the good people of Ghana. Now, I see the Ayaka say, what's the 1992 Constitution? Any all the acts of Parliament passed here from 92. Any Minister for Communication to me. Says will be registered in SIM card block any panel. The only year recently, I have more numbers, they're blocking here. It is against the law, and you're very, very worrying, and you're disturbing. We are in the process. To the extent that maybe the see Kaswana baby, sir, and Rana Miti already also. Now suffocating. Wa friend basa on Yano because I didn't call no can on say the diaba a recording. At the time I will be better. It became a bit too late. Until we share the phones our friend over 100 times then call because the banner in your call. It is after the death now. You say it was because of that banishment of the cause. It is the American say, and maybe anyone, and my Flausuni and CSR 2 minutes. In no MPP ni now China radio so TV sooner they be who defended this unlawful act. First question I'm maybe say is a catch here. And Mnabea has supported that unlawful illegal act of Esrausuni NCA. Obia enya against SIM card registration, but the can say do the right things and make sure the right things are done. Mamima example, Ghana card no, it has become very difficult to get. Ghana card no, it has become very difficult to get. Very, very difficult. Very, very difficult to get.
Okay.
Because for the apply for a card, no, 2 million Ghanaians are thrown and they are not being given the card. Who call the district offices, baby, almost see almost need card. So what is it? What is it? Because NCA, NIA, ama card no, now I go block you almost. Is it their fault or money card no?
Okay, but yeah, where me Adam, yeah, where and so say enipa bebre so akotro omudin a cars na ye ready. Ewo offices ho no mo a omokonkoje. Eno wate ana wunya ntibi.
Cars no ye ready ka ukoji I say we ye biometric. Madam to be wo ho and enjoy ya na ofri akọ Nigeria because okoye juma bi wo. But sure ni din ya friend is any card I ready. Okay, it's all your biometric verification before the card no be my machine no network go down. Because some of the problems, people have wasted hours just to acquire the card. They are not getting the card. And what is the challenge? They won't come for a while. For whatever reason, they have not gone back for their card. But that number is very small.
You think so?
I think so, because then I have a catcher say there were people who have applied for the car, there 2 million whose cars are not ready. You see, I mean, who can say condition offices, baby. All the catcher says they don't have cards to print. So why do you bring sanctions? Punitive measures are outside the law.
Okay.
Now the politics of now.
Okay, and again, we are aware, as you said. With this Ghana card registration, no, yenya nkrofobia no mo preach say me man nkrofo nkonko register me mo nkoye na wo ka ho bi right
me any Ghana card registration no SIM card registration
I'm talking about the Ghana card no be break ka say mo nkonko nkoye eno so we are aware
yes that say Ghana card now you need NIA for NDC as a political comment on the way now a year process no. Don't forget the NIS started the President Kufuor introduced the NIA. But Nikasa na mano difference kaka omunya challenges and I by building this infrastructure. The American say na NIA for issues be. But some directly say your members now be anko register. President Mahama ko register here. You na doing ketia the manofuso and you ko register here. There is no one in Ghana today or encourage you just don't go and register for Ghana card.
But don't you also think say time when I'm mobile can one thing say microphone ko register no e no na to ma dwuni mu akwakofa or how we na dia ba.
Chief, what were the reasons now it's been 3 years. More than that, it's been 6 years. So almost started issuing of the card in 2017.
Mm-hmm.
It's been almost 6 years now. That directive any resolve challenges now. You see, people can now go ahead to register. How can you blame all these people now?
I'm not blaming, but I'm asking questions. So don't you think?
There be end to me because Sanka and no other so your positions to see as don't go and register for the car over to me. But after I know there have been several processes. And I know echo various districts. I almost registered to no call it. It cannot be the reason why.
Okay. Super.
Secondly, unim say the problem with NIA is here, and yes, Ghana for moon person the G card. It is with the fact say. NIA Nankasa. It is with the fact NIA Nankasa. Almost to me. Omu ni capacity omu di markers no all this while. And then uko NIA officer conform sorry and past 2 a.m. 3 a.m. No more queue or how do you blame people not coming? People are there, you are not able to give them the card. What I say? Call NIA office queue or it is another NIA offices no omu empty and conform they are not coming for the card. People are ready to take the card. What they are not getting the capacity of the NIA to give them the card.
Okay. We are seeing now evolve na ye adopt a technology di ye neoma. Na ye so ye pese ye carry yourself along. And unti this same card re-registration di abane san fight cyber crime. Ene neoma hu do be bre ankrofo ekom. Na ankrofo register na ebi mo twetwe mo na yase no. O suggest say anamo ben ki yetu a yebetimi ahwe pu ye nyina in line na ne ye hwehwe ne yensa aka ne atimi ate sa cyber crime ene ne aka keka ho ne ho.
Chief, we can earlier say registration of SIM card and start here from Eslausu and MPP time. It means previous governments, they were committed to start fight against cyber crime. So they are there. But the American say the fact say evolve digitization and not digitalization. And no say yemra yedibu on my Ghana yedi enube tour for anyone to do things their own way. The extra with that law and that punitive measures are the Obama man direct to nobody has a right to go on social media. Wouldn't say, or maybe or what there are countries that we have they don't have who are those countries that you cannot access certain social media websites.
Yes.
Even Uko UAE, Dubai, Ghana probably Dubai. WhatsApp call, I always have failed you of WhatsApp call. Wouldn't say any available because Oma impose restrictions. The air can say yan son anu ene na say allow Eslausu or ye no to say your headmistress ye Ghana for ye next ni measure kit on one directive subsidy with this blocking of things. But you know about I can say Facebook and Ghana for should not go there. Do things according to the law. That is what we are saying.
I see.
Nobody is against public policy to re-register. But the saying, you better fight you, now you prevent you from doing it because we live in a democratic institution and a constitution and a guide here. Juma with rule of law.
Adam, ma yena senior fancy habibi ni ebesa babiem.
But answer na mekono. The MPP need you studio ha. This almost defend the Eslausu no. And Mrambe and I supported the blocking of the card. Answer that question no.
Yeah, hakra de NDC MPP in studio discussions no ebi. Enti etie ye no be ansa. Why?
Yo, me that say.
Me that say be din komo we kire ho.
No problem.
All right. Enti ene Edem Agbana oye Deputy National Youth Organizer Edema NDC Amanyuku no. Na yene ne kotwetwe enkomodefa NCA ho na me wo dosia bi wo ha no mo nyankopon ya adoma wo kyena ene ye be ye ho adwuma me ye senka me ye ho adwuma ene but ebre ne kɔ enti mi bisa sɛ DCOP Alex Redu ɔwɔ hɔ machia no ɔwɔ hɔ no mo a ene ma me nsan enchia owura asubonten former regional coordinating council Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council ɔno na ɛyɛ wɔn secretary ɔno nso wɔ hɔ no mo a machia no edin ne dɔɔso nyankopɔn yɛ adom a wɔkyena yɛbɛka ho asɛm Aisha Juan ho asɛm wanti ne yɛkyiakyia mpanimfo yi edin ne dɔɔso ɛwɔ ha me yɛsen ka mɛyɛ ho adwuma enne but ɛbrɛ ne kɔ nti yɛntumi nya ho adwuma nyame yɛ adom a wɔkyena yɛbɛyɛ ho adwuma Jubilee Hospital aso yɛasene but mami kan ma Jesus Alodina Abolunga
thank you
Awidiba
minia
ma me mana achia no pay
mejeso minia
oro ne kasama for the ma Bremu Central Municipal Assembly oh yeah big man
oh minia minia ba ko so de
nyame adom na
minia wo siri de
assembly boko de
assembly boko
and then am we meeting no
yi budget review town hall meeting anuka ya postpone
enye 14th ni bi
dabi ya fi so ne
ba some an kan hwe ankyere
oh yes any messages e bia mo de mo san kan ya
mo send a message
like a letter for postponement
oh debi
okay
debi me ni mo de buy no na
program bi World Bank quality assurance for
omo around into omo ba be inspections
they are coming to verify certain documents
okay
we have
maso aye shika kra nti na wo se mo twiko na se mo kra ma ntwe ankokra presiding member kra se mo ni bi
but town hall meeting it
mo betumi aye okay ya ti ase nti assembly nkomo no etie fotie o
yo be da se menua menua ogus no so ahu me ama hanover ma atiefo no pay me chia obi a me chia ya ma me chia
o be chia tiefo but me ba me fa wi ntwem ansa ba and this I be do so do Jubilee Hospital ansa na ye tiefo no ye di bu nkomo no Jubilee Hospital hey Jesus Alodina Abolunga Awidiba outpatient service inpatient service laboratory test pharmacy antenatal postnatal care theater maternity wo ultrasound system so ya will be ewo counseling unit ewo Jubilee Hospital eye clinic nso ho nti wo ba wani na wo ye nya oha obi wo ho a eno so yebetumi ahwe ama ho ato diabetes ne hypertension ifia da bia ye ma ho entity ye canteen enso ho no mo a healthy food serene environment and wo betumi atena se adidi ama ho ato insurance nso national health insurance and a private health insurance ye gini nyina ewo Jubilee Hospital odan aboabo Amantra Bridge in Suna Behuni Yen 0244575799 0244575799 and 0241784645 Jubilee Hospital Omwa ba ediama yenyina na AHENKAN933FM Asatec Roofing Company enso so say anopay men kan kire say ope long span roofing sheet product e do juma sanding seam self lock IDT IBR ni nyina our types no ebi ewo ho sizes no so 0.3 mm 0.4 mm 0.5 mm and a 0.6 mm yawo ni nyina bi wo ho standard roofing sheet 8 feet by 4 and also so e will be ho aluminium roofing sheet Alosync roofing sheet galvanized roofing sheet bi wo ho and a colored roofing sheet no color bi a wo pe no ba won sa be ka bi your rubber roofing sheet so ewe yen ho roofing sheet accessories no ye wo rigid caps rain cutters valley cutters side stream and a 14 feet and 8 feet nails no ye wo and afi ye wo wire nails so ewo yen eho enomo sɛ medical ka kyerɛ wo no oba AHENKAN933FM wugina online so obeto ne ma bebre no a ɛdinti China Turkey German metal doors so yawo all sizes ni bi ɛwɔ hɔ wooden doors so yawo bi yawo plastic T&J ɛna ye sign so ɛton blocks ɛwɔ yen hɔ blocks no so yawo sizes ni bebre wɔ hɔ 6 inches 5 4 ɛne ne 12 so horo blocks nso bi wɔ hɔ no mo a yɛsan supply anwenya abo a wodi si dan nso unsa ebeka bi akyem odan Kia station no anim hɔ no mo a ɛna yɛwɔ odan market kɛseɛ no achi hɔ ɛyɛ na wahyɛ ne nso enkran so tema old CMB cocoa warehouse we be hunu yen block factory ne nso Intiamwa Hotel Junction eben Ash Foam Depot no oba hɔ no mo betumi atua ne kakra na yetimi the amount saa nso so na wotuatua ne saa wia yɛwɔ free transportation wɔ hɔ no mo baabi a wokɔbia no yɛde nneɛma no bɛkɔ akɔgya wo 20 years defect warranty companies na aka ne nyinaa aka dem ɔmo ntumi nya kokoduro nka ne yɛn ka ne bi yɛse ɛyɛ 20 years defect warranty utumi de ba wahu mfie duenu wobɛtɔ kɔ na bibi bakora no obetumi asan de ba amia siesie ne kama de ama yesan quick delivery de ma within 4 days de a wonsa ebeka 9311 0245979311 AHENKAN933 Asatec roofing, a total solution of any roofing, still anointing na anointing dia na anointing lady enterprise and so seven can say open cylinder na to burner, ceiling fan, rice cooker, kettle, blender, shirt, intadie you, intadie ni trousers, kaki dia wo material dia wo wrist watch ya de bobo way and say on sabit me can be shoes, center spread carpet, TV stand, center table and a standing for two, still anointing any idea uba ye jesu nti mame ko Jesus ho na afi dia aka no yemfa nto ato so akire yi ububa yenso yete be ojuhudi a eno an se obeba henkan of madwum ha na obefre 0593 649595 0593 649595 ofre sa number no na se ojuhudi nko ade a ye behwew na nkomo wo ho no yetumi edi Jesus
minia
yenkwai
yo me da se mame mfa akwanya nchia atiefo nyina na menchia ye mame honorable MC MP so mechia no honorable all honorable members of our house mechia o man opay
small honorable so for no
some so na MPs wo ye look ya ba o so na ye honorable so ti ya no pay decision
wo mo nso na bibiri boy abro no
wo
mo te ho politics no wo ye ne tantan no
well
o dia won kan hwe me na me kasa
yes and am pesa me hu se wona wo kan
sa me na me kasa
yo me chia o ma no pa ya
a wo mo jo so pa
me nua atifa anopa wa henkan de wotie pa
o Clement de obo o
me chia na
na won tie he wo betie he wo be ko tie ba bia nka no kra nkyere wo
o tie so na wane ne yire
o tie no ne yire Abigail I was on tie ba bia be ka no kra nkyere wo ko tie ba bia o mununu o mo ho sere ya
minua dia no pa me chia nyina chia ya staff nyina ai minua weekend ya adwuma bi ai sa adwuma we de maka ho asam ye wie de menti ho
me pa cha ye be kan wo beti pa sa ya asemi di kan so na wote no
okay
enti asemi di kan se memini dai one tia
aje se
na je se ye boa pa
yo na I can complain
e na me kan no
okay but when we dey make it
enti dede oh yes
good
ayi akotomori ase bola no mo ya de
na oni minua when bibisa ewo sometimes excuse me sometimes obi beka say bia we are an assembly we are not concerned about it don't be a mitiemu on that particular issue
ye bowja
papa
na wa ye juma
but onim say time am kan nyina no ya try about 7 times to evacuate or to level that place no and ye juma simply because greater now oba be no obi aba na obehwa o simintimi mba because of when you say greater now eba no ya o man we use sa metals road no because of quota no atfat na ya no osi super obese no nti obi aba wo hu ba bia there's no asset route na nyamencha there this weekend na we dia wo fi okoye adwuma wa kyen ase na wo twam ana ye maame aja ye ma na hint
no say na me fast
okoye wo kyen Saturday no na odi mirika ana obae na obi hia na so mu ntwan na so momra na ye nkɔhwɛ sɛ mo betimi akoye adwuma maame nto mo koye ko fire no mo hu sɛ there's a route bi koko shed ho no betimi afa na machine akɔfa nsuo no mu na akɔ bola no so ana o say yes adia munya mame So they slept on that Saturday and I don't know. Chiana omukoye adwuma no.
Wow.
Or no supervisor adwuma Sunday one kwaso Sunday.
Me very much aware pa.
Sure.
Me aware. Ujina ho 24/7 me aware pa.
Obuo, you are actually monitoring. Oh. Jina wa ma ye wie ma machine to fi wansa na ono so
fi ho.
And in fact, obi ya de so a say sayeye. Nti adwuma we de wa ya.
We am I ni say no. Na dede no anakwaku kusi.
Ye dede bebrebe no
akutomori ase akutomori ase.
No. Oba wansa nya sa
gbegbe. Na wa nya sa dede no a. E de be hu say da bi we ye be yesu ban.
Mati, I'm happy you are making this because
it me kwa me twen no. Me twen no.
Good. Me that's a
I mean say wa shase nso
a prepare.
Yes.
Good.
And Saturday obeka ho ase.
Me that's a say I know that then I will not go far because Saturday no metie no pass.
Oh, obeka nso pa. Saturday kwa me personally I will be around team.
All right. Ana onim say ye level ho wie kama no. Ayi information asaba say MC dwi ho say de be ya obetu ye maame no akọ.
We asem.
Meanwhile,
baller so.
Meanwhile, that is not our idea. Say be a obi person ekotra ho ana so okobo container ho dia. Eno dia ya wasema.
Obetimi atena baller ni mumpo.
Say eno dia ya na asema, but that is not the reason why you could do ho.
Na so okotena ho am dia mumba betwa BOP ama.
That is it. Ena make no. Oda okotena ho na so ho ye ma dia. Fine. But yes, that's not the reason why I acquire a horse.
But I was more allowed for Momoko.
Oh, so see, some people came forward say, "Oh, yeah, per se, yeah,
voluntary, no,
voluntary, yes."
Hey, I'm some got na ball and so
level. So I'm person like so does near a gusu come.
No more got na ho.
When you say, but be at the other side, no, I could tell the other side, no. That was how that at you. Yeah, level ye be an uncle for Beji. They say, "What is a hot? There's no space."
Okay, but I think there's for crab bahonu a beboa.
Oh yes.
Ama they will still keep the place clean.
The place is and yes adia e be do
ensan mankrofo tim kwase ensan wia ya ho kwato ball ngu ho.
Oh yes. Nti so obi ba volunteer say, "Oh, me de me person me call level or me de anwia gusu and I say na go bo container wa." Well, we don't have issue. We'll give you the bet. We are not forcing somebody to go there. That anya nu ntina ye call yes adwuma.
Okay.
Nti I don't dey yemfa and on to nchana.
Nti mo ye free he mo de kwa he.
Bolanana. Said now what we are doing is that we have people be our or what they say who is going to be like a security person there. They say containers now yeah the abaho no. So what we are going to do, we have gone in agreement with Zoom Lion. So they say oh my containers no man na mo pick and said be ya enya mamro so.
And I think said the alternative said nkrofo person mo ba beje ho no. Enumumu na asemu encourage.
Oh yeah, we no
mo megine ntem.
Those who came forward, we agree 100% say if they are willing there, person hokra no occupy.
Yes.
Say they ya obi antimi nkotu
nre ngo bi.
Okay. And see yeah, voluntary, it's not forced. Yeah, to me.
Okay.
So I know that is it. Say the outcome is true because say obi bana okotra hope it will be very difficult say
obi ba be to ball
agu. Why would him say obi to? And I know there sir. Yeah, one pay say ebinum beti ase those who want to use the place.
Me na me bisa say ball anu amoyi fi ho mo de kɔ he.
I be see na ball and containers ho.
Na say containers na nkrofo kɔ to ball.
I don't know. You see what is happening is that nkwala na omo de ball and ba. Instead of omo de begu container mu no. Say so do a hwa na de agu ho na okɔ ne ba bi. But say the odi kai e dey say we buy no. Say if the place is occupied, they will compel to put everything in the dustbin.
Sure.
Na some e dey na some ko. And that's why we are hoping so. And that is it. And then Wednesday. Yesterday was 1 year of our disaster.
Well, I'm fine. Makranka me maybe so.
Me the Baba says so. 1 year of the disaster is on that market. Let me take this opportunity now. Yama menama in your manama or more affected. No, I mean for Akonya so mama or more shedding. Because it wasn't easy on that fateful day, and Yamashi. But the fortunate part is that no life was lost. I know we thank God for that. Until the AC and yesterday was exactly 1 year, and our mothers too celebrated it.
Now, Mumu Assembly no man commemorate
in terms of say
say sa nyese dwakra no a nka mo be kɔ hɔ no mo na mako akoye yi.
Yesterday, Madam mourn Actually, I can't confirm that. But when she came, she was wearing red. I asked, was it she's morning? Because of what happened. But what happened is, yesterday at the market, I'm sure they wore banners of red just to commemorate on the day.
But at least I was saying assembly needs to show concern, and I'm a boy.
Oh, concern like in terms of saying.
I fear so. As I'm casing to assembly, no. I was like, I'm crana, Musako update
or the whole municipality.
So as yeah, and I come update you almost. So I finish. I buy no soon. She why
yesterday there was something like that. Yesterday, the former presiding member and other members did that. They were having a program on one of your sister stations. But you are talking of the main station there. The issue too is here too is that yesterday there was also a program there going on. So we didn't want it to be conflict. There's a program that was going on there.
Organized by Hwang.
They on their own. Oh well,
you just have to information is easier and I microphone speculative.
I agree with you.
Well,
yesterday actually
it
was not
say information now flew asas yes say oh yes so makoyi ho mo de be me kwampo ndra ba ko bi amete yakwa de yes say honorable MP beton ho no yes.
You see, BBC said there are a lot of information. Honorable MP beton
yes so what toes but just say in 7 titi bebre no a the moment information should cease flowing,
You see, I agree with you 100%. The information flow is very important.
That's it.
In somebody just told you this, but he found out information.
Sana 70.
I got to say, I'm almost say, I'm to say the almost quarters. Meanwhile, we have not even taken a decision on that. I'm to say, yeah, soldier for too.
Meanwhile,
but and one thing I also agree with you, say, if you don't come out, also give other information to counter it. Now, when they say that information circulate,
the more we listen to the lies, no, it becomes the truth.
Yes. Oh yes. Now so bit lies, but how to change to correct it back, no, it takes some time. Yes. Now say clear on somebody came and said, you see. Meanwhile, at the time the plate was floating, with I didn't hear nobody claim ownership.
Madam, my information propaganda for the dozen chrome.
Hey, Minya, I don't know what can he
propaganda for the dozen.
Last because I said, ye, Gino will be by what do you call it? Was it ye, Jihada, ye, the Yamma, be goose at the Chewimu. And Madame said, one information about them. Maybe you are the main cancer will be about. A honor, I had news as I had Bolana, Yan take it maybe a night at the idea crabber. And then I say a person level in free hall. Young as I said, will be about. But you see the perception that is going around.
Information, no,
I am very, very serious.
Okay.
Until Anna, Minya, there's one thing we have to acknowledge. I got to say, will be ya dear, who knew what is going on. The person is not doing anything. I got to say, you and Obo, I may we be to be about I walk around Yashi. But have you been to Nishusmu and who say, on Yashi? It be a brow or brother easy. I got to say, Yama, I could yasono. Bibi Koswa, on Bacasa, it be a 1 tea and answer on Faho. But it takes something to push something. And I didn't ye. On the Sabola issue here, now or more canning. Yes, I think way back. Then be a madam to you. Or by his committee and oka. Or say, hey, I ain't kind. Bola dear, but nim what I'm preparing, what another dear, what is going on.
Sometimes no, a jano, ebia, yeah, Tonisanoa. There's one thing
you must also find out what is he doing about it.
Say ye doso. So that's here. Yeah. Inti say ade no ye sisu saa a okra ne boa wo e ma say what tension kra ye fi so kra no e san kai wo.
Me no there is true. But sometimes wo ye nyina also find out what is going on.
Let's say yeah find out you say yi.
No, beginning should have found out whether we are I didn't hear can more plans for home.
I said definitely.
Yeah, we have tried several times. This is the problem we are facing.
Definitely, assembly there plans. Are there be a municipality mono? Who besides once I say we have plans.
Good.
Internally, the plans you have.
Oh,
but yes, so got to so or ton for. Baby, you Gina or didn't queen who hiano.
Oh no. Okay, well, because sometimes. Anybody to make as if there's no leader kurunumu. But leader also tell when I want to be in translation.
What for was sumu ya
I could say your market people say the leaders are not even minding us. Hey.
Say leader no so mind it. Na leader nenka oh me ye dwuma munya botre. Nkrofo so ani abre ya be wo so.
You see and I can say even in a small institution whereby one can say we leader head you have problems there. But we'll be outside. Oh,
a very true pan.
But one can name what is going on.
And I'm saying a very true.
Yeah.
But Oti what present to see and to Obama?
W.
Thank you.
I agree with you there. And it. Okay, and Twasso. Last week, Assembly started revenue mobilization. Now, yeah, on BOP ne temporary structures. But this week so yeah started bio. Yeah, we are continuing. Now me only say me buy me can catch say quality assurance be from World Bank aba. Now only the omba be. We say department no me can buy be assessment. E we ho. Report na me call you no. Mbrofo say that be. Ya ka say be di akiri. Akwahwe say report na me buy no. Is it true or not? And you know what? When they are even coming, they come in such a manner say obakura which are now panojiso peonjiso woman is on
and I say obani ye chia no wonye so a say me so bi sima me so mi muwa wo
na so when I say ono ade na
wo mum ni hia wo
when I wo hia wo nti ono de we bisa wo ba ya no wa bisa fa we bra
okay
no de akọ wo mfa maya wa so de akọ se da bi me ko omuni bi nti based on I don't know assessment no mum fail wo mo na suka na wo nya nti madam is supposed to travel to Kofori there this morning.
Okay.
Me do office around 7 something now office. He was having a meeting. Because the people are coming. Oko wie na e bia omobana there's something that you have to do. Na eba anye ya who honorable MC Udina. Good. Nti he has decided to suspend the Kofori rather to wait for this particular activity. Which is very laudable. So yes, only the municipality are hard or the municipality are hard pa. Until your revenue mobilization, your cost because the quality assurance about say the your data now, the special mobile say they want to come and check one revenue data because the data almost share the municipality in the the revenue data now they want to come and confirm from our system whether it's the same or not because. Based on fixing budget na ya come on say ye beji say no na data na no it means you could have taken more than what we have reported so they want to come up what are the challenges you see ebasa now if you are able to give them challenge or problem wa no so the area support maybe a capacity building and na bibisa aboa say de be ya ubetimi abon ho boni na wetimi agi revenue and also eboa until this time no yesre atiefo mo assembly your Raymond officers na ba round ag kakra na say say obi utua 1 cedi a you have the right to obebisa say me 1 cedi me tua no ade be important amode e ma me you have the right to right so obebisa but ya ba ha be ka the usage of sika no several times ebinum atiase ebinum so omo ntiase
so omo
tiase ba good. Last I made one example be actually me pia na mama bi share me one of your sister stations and I say afa na mate ade ni nyina say eche say project na e cost no me so me kan ho bi
sir
na I'm say yes that's how it is
nyina yesika
but it can one tua but do you know one thing me those who pay rather don't make complain a lot those who don't pay they rather make a lot.
Okay. Say uko a year be fie. Na uko a year no.
Okay.
Na yesi ye twitwa to. We bet ya 10 cities, we bet ya 2, we bet ya 5, we bet ya 2 cities. Omo no de yentia omo ni kapre. Enya man so no otwe o. Oni tro.
That is how it is.
Nti omo eni tro no mu no ma no. Ye ntia oni sika oboa. Enya manso bia no wotwe oni sika.
Oh. Nti we dey esre pa say ayi even once the kura na otua say the assemblies are one pass last year. You can't do anything. Sika no kofa na wahi. Say we are now relying on the deep part sika no. Because I know eba ne boom.
Okay.
Why ntima nya no a yes say deep part ayi enu bi na edisi papa ya okọ ne area ho na toilet bi yesi ho hospital yesi lab ho ayi number 9 yesi cells ho ana yesa okọ salvation ayi nkwantanu see am no kan yesi another clinic ewo Honorable Castro electoral area ho community quarters ho it mean the next time either we move to Abuabo or another place said the beya we will spread it this our project na ekoso no se ka wo one city and say 226 no one tua we will not be able to get those projects nti ebia na obi atua one city ni ho no light ni ho yes ohia light e wono ho but unim say obuobu si ana motor point yesika no emma in bulk say wa budget 1 million within 1 month or 2 months 1 million in Osaka a week a bit by maybe only 5,000 or 2,000 and there are a lot of activities going on. What do you do? But World Bank also ba almost say sika no wa budget 1 million at least use 20% for any capital project. Capital project could be maybe wokoto school nkunya ade akwacha ma schools and also wako paint school dying and I say wo dia renovate school
nti nkunya na e buy no mache won
nkunya na buy no back a big go I don't know for Methodist school but it's yet to be completed
nti we
are na e dia akoma but dia aka na yache fi ho
nti bi ba abo side
I don't have the list more. I know the mini list no nti sana no you say yes you will not get untimi nyani nyina ma schools every school at the same time say also ana street lights so ona ya hona bo asama ma this year I ka quarter bi kura every quarter enye sika ka every quarter no say ka ya tobi ma omo this year ma omo once ana ya honorable
MP so
ya honorable MP to so and so eboa pa because ono so also
support the yard they were street bobs in the yard pa
bobs ono so eboa pa nti that's how all the leaders in Amisi omnyina collaborate for the development of the municipality obi ani ho abaka say me need the vision say you see I'm sure honorable MP would like to leave one day with free officer everybody didn't say honorable Alexander Kosia Kwabai no
the game changer
say no honorable MC Madam Victoria Adu
ono so
say no
okay
sana etie
ye bre no ya aso akaka krebe ni aso nti ye pese ye no nyina pon
okay
ma ye mfa nsi ha ho nyame adoma next week ye be mo aba na ya toa so there has been a lot of controversies as to whether Achimodan constituency ye kwan ana nye kwan matese ye say the kilometers of the ama na hefa
okay
yankopon ya demo next week you know
it's hard to say the baba
yes
even the letter at the award of contract letter kuraba the contractor na obabe
the contractor no so ba site
yeah I go mobilize no ba site see award the letter yesaka
okay
say they are the rules see amana but the details or the rules na say they would kan no
e bi next week ni adi sa enkomo
nyame bo akra na mitimi mahwe se menya urban rules
super
all town rules no ehyensa
okay
na ka wa be details on it
Matthias here nti mame na asana me matie fo nso emre mu na fe ye nyina ye mpon pre
me dase
nti 0201944485 and 0554820910 or assembly person will be sa assembly no wa mo kasa ma fo wa ha to question ni ma no or the anu yin de be ma nti 0201944485 0554820910 ma man temu time no kura no ye hia sa yemfa sedan koma Unisem Cement Ghana omo de cement papa ba abontin Samchi Enterprise na akofade aba mantra wache junction dan foforo no ya besi abrosan anumu na owo oben Dukes Filling Station ya na wa frɛ wo 090 0243583190 eba cho di be ba ka se free
eba do every kwa bla wa he
boss yenti
ka ka fi fi asa bedo enterprise
yenti boss
eba to asida any